you don't know, it's very quiet. Like, no problems. I've had no issues with any of my tenants since I've been here. So let me just introduce you to one of my tenants. Yes, this is Chosen.
Good day, good
Hi,
day.
my name is Alice.
All right,
Nice
come
to
on.
meet
So
you,
now, man, what
Olive.
kind of meeting through grill,
Okay,
man?
I'm
Come
sorry.
formally. Right,
You step outside.
right,
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
I am
Olive,
Alice.
I'm Chosen. Nice to meet you.
right. All right, so I was just telling our new tenant
Mm-hmm.
that, you're a very nice,
Mm-hmm.
nice person, very quiet
Yeah,
and
man. It's
humble.
nice to have someone new on the blocks. I go and talk to you about something. Here are a few things actually. So when you finish with the lady, you just if you want to talk now, I'm gonna know because see I show her around and So I want to give up more and share a few words with you if you don't mind. Off
We
the
can
air.
talk. Hear what, Miss Olive? Here's the key to the apartment, so you can, go
Yeah,
and
man, make
start
yourself
putting, start, start
comfortable.
out, start out yourself. All right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'll come to see what you're going on with shortly. Let me just hear what the
Okay.
young lady here is saying.
All right, Brutus.
If I never want thing, I go for my scroll.
What
You know,
what seems to be the problem?
if I never want thing, I go for one long scroll and show you a list. Make you do me this. What kind of stunt you pull for me, Sir Rufus? You
What
didn't
you
say make
talking
you get
about?
one young girl and one nice young man, cause you don't want me, you know. I'm like a long time and you know go on good.
Chosen, what is wrong with you?
No, so I'm like,
This,
look for me. It like something you look like something wrong with me.
but I never tell you so the criteria for renting an apartment here is young and attractive and beautiful and all these things.
Place.
It's your money.
Mm-hmm. But anyways, I'm gonna sit still, put half on and go beside it. See that line there on the song? And me put up since we come here, me not gonna use it. So she have to put up her one line. I notice say everybody else that's some little piece of black me have here, so me go on good black. So when me walking on my heels and sometimes me go out and come back from Dirty Fridays and Daddy Sundays. My heels them a broke off for them something here. See the foot decent something here. So me can't live son up here how much money a month. Sealer. You can't live son up here much money a month time. I have good landlord, I look good and something and you make money and me I give you money. And you even say make you want me and give me two tax. You know going good. You know going good. So me I go want you fix up yourself expensive heels and some manicure, pedicure and so. Me can't my foot a rock up in the dirt and them something there. And make sure find out one garbage bin. Yeah, it's a long list, man. I don't talk it. You're going to need to find out one garbage bin. I'm gonna like the girl company in the yard. We could find one nice young man put there. Hmm? You find this big woman? No, but just pray.
Listen,
So I'm asking, I'm just pray today for long. Cause me come see me no me no get along. Me and she now get along. Find her online and make sure she don't use the washing machine where they run at the washroom. Make sure
so
she
what you
don't use
expect the
it.
lady to wash her stuff in?
She buy her own washing machine and big woman. Make me finding one thing. Me no want me and nobody. And make sure say no pin no jars for the line them no then on
But
that
it's
because they go on
nothing
there.
for a washing machine, miss. The washing machine comes with the apartment.
Me not pay my rent.
So what do you think she is doing?
Listen, me special enough. I don't want special treatment. Yeah, she had just come to wait her turn. I'm like, oh yeah, move from where there, you know. I'm not like, oh yeah, move. But anyways, as I say, I know I should come here, come go and like try and take over. I'm there a long time, I'm still want to stay here in peace. That's my thing there. So the line off limits. And as I say, I go want blocks here, so and enough look at look at I go send you one long text message. Correct now, I can't remember everything. I go send you a list of the things that I want you to change and rearrange around here. Because you're not going good, I'm pay you on time. I'm person don't like me, so I'm kind of mad at you. Yeah, all man never seen like me. Every man like me, or something wrong with them. I wonder why go on for your status or something. Because you not move straight to. But I don't like her, so I make you know that. Yeah, only man me never seen like me. Something wrong with all you two. And you're not married. I'm gonna see the woman and come and see you. Tell her that you be last place me live, you know, and say the man a drool over me. With the parents, you know, I'm going good. Anyways, I like her.
Wow, that
With all
is
that said and done, yeah, I
that
don't like
is
her. That's the
really a
point.
lot.
A lot. I'm still not telling you everything yet. Man, I tell you, I don't like her. I don't like her.
So why were you giving a front just now? I thought you.
Then I have to go on nice. I don't want the lady come here to come spend a little money and feel no way. From that's I'm calling one side, at least I have audacity and respect. But I don't like her. She don't necessarily look for me. No, she look for me. I don't like her. Don't like her. Upset. You get me upset. You can't do that. You'd even call me and give me a text and say, all right then, one lady, I come here, you first hand it tell me before you just pop her up and show her around and rent to the place. You even send them to me. But I look somebody sent to me put here, you know. Get
But
the
it
place
is not
rented
your
for you.
place.
Yes.
And you don't get to choose who comes here.
That is true. At your place. But my parents
But you're
here too.
behaving as if it is your apartment, miss. You don't decide what I do with this place and whom I rent it to.
I don't pay rent on
I
time.
never said you don't. However, you don't have any say as to what I do with the place. You just have responsibility for your quarters.
And I've been handling my responsibilities quite well, aren't I?
So then I don't understand why you're behaving like this.
I don't understand why you carrying you
The
people from me. I
lie.
say, yes, I'm my yard too, you know. I'm my yard. Once me leave your so I'm my yard. And my place technically can me pay for it, even though it's yours.
And the line is there for everybody to use.
No, it's
Why you
not.
have a problem with
No,
the
me come
line?
put up my no me come put up my wire.
Oh
But
my,
good current wire from the boardhouse I'm used to live before I come here.
oh my
But not like
goodness.
get up people too, you know, she kinda look get at me and say, show you me can, but I really
Are you low-key prejudiced?
no, I'm not, but me don't want she use my line because she go put no she go want pin out her panty them and them something there and me and no girl supposed to pin panty on the same line because I don't know where her panty them a come from.
Yeah,
So make you know, me not really want to cause a problem in your yard. I'm just make you know certain things are off limits. That's all I'm saying.
you know what? I hear you. I hear you loud and clear. Hold on 1 second. Something just occurred to me, and I think it's beneficial to you.
Mhm.
You know I have a brother, right?
Mhm.
Why don't I introduce you to my brother?
Which one? Cause one brother me know you having a kunda one day.
Hold on.
Hold on for the grill. Say.
Look here, no man. My brother is very nice. Just hear me out. Just
Oh my God, Mister. Sit down. What you say?
I say my brother is very nice and
Which one?
he's very intelligent.
Which one?
What do you mean by which one?
Brother you talk.
I am talking
Hi,
about
hi,
my
hi.
brother.
Other brother there you talk.
I'm talking about Papai.
Jesus Christ. Sorry for me
Oh,
going.
hold on,
You want
but
me
you know I
to
hear the terms. Watch you know.
hear terms? What
So,
terms are not terms? I mean,
listen to
all
me.
those
Just
come along
just
for
hear me
me.
out, no. Just hear me
But
out.
like
Man,
a
you have to
30
somebody
case?
load up the thing,
No,
so.
because you know me stay now.
So take time to
I
me I
deal with
talk to you.
you, and you know me
I
like you a
am
long time,
saying to you,
all of,
say
and you
yo,
know me like you. I don't want to hear nothing.
I
You
wanted
know
to
me
get I
like you.
wanted to marry to my
So
brother.
something wrong with
And
me?
if you're
I
married to
make you
my
know
brother,
want me.
I will make you married to my brother and I'll make you live your friend tree.
Me not care. Me pay my rent. Me don't want to leave your rent free. And you me want. Me don't want your brother. Your handicapped brother you want give me?
It's not an
All us come
handicap.
look.
Don't
All us
call my
come
brother
along for
handicap.
me.
He's
He
just
pussy cap
special.
then and just all I cap them.
My brother is very special. What you talking about?
You not special enough for me. You special enough for
Listen
me.
to me.
You like a special needs man.
Why
Who wants to
don't
treat you as special?
why don't you consider it?
No, I'm not even sleeping on it. The moment I talk about it, I know what answer. You crazy?
He's a good man.
I'll ask you a question. Is a good man, fine. But why you want to give me him? Why me?
Because
Why me? What that everybody in
I
the
think
world?
you
Why
need
me?
somebody special in your life.
Are you not special enough?
Mhm.
No, 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 give
He's
me brother.
yes, and he
Me
is
brother.
twice the man that I am. So I think you guys would make a very good couple. As I said, you get married to him and he will satisfy your needs. And at the same time, you live here in this nice apartment. You don't have to worry about anything.
So where me can go with it, brother? Who me can show you, brother? Look pa me, you know. Look pa me. Who me can show you, brother, say my man? I mean, you really come back. I mean, you really come back.
What you talking about? Then my brother no can go places where you thinking he can't dress. Of
In
course
hand
he
can
can
fix.
dress.
In hand can fix. If hand can fix, me can work with him. In hand can fix.
It's a work in
I see
progress.
my eye cast one of them and he can fix. But I choose not to fix it. If him hand can fix, me can go work with him. He not gonna work
It
out.
is
When
a
me
it is a work in progress. Just think about it.
time have money.
This is what I'm saying. Then if he's my brother, then my money not his money. So just think about it, man. You know, man. So you're talking to him. Just picture like it's me you're talking to.
That's very hard. Being that you're
But we
really
look,
my
but we
type
look
and he's
alike.
not.
We almost could have passed with twin.
No love. Right, that's a you mistake here. No. You look more like your dad. and he look more like your mother. No. And as I said, you're my type. Me no see nothing at all me like from him.
Just
No.
please.
Because
Just please, no?
with somebody when I have a rent or not, I'm gonna like
You
you.
know
I'm
what?
gonna like you first.
You know what? Your own man. And your own man militarily I give you, you know. He's not borrowed, he's not owed, and him not trust him not depend. He is solidly your own.
Taking pan down payment until no
I feel alone.
still don't want him and you want
Hear
so
what?
for you.
Just think about it.
No.
Just
So
think
what
about it now.
you don't have no woman listen nobody have come here to you, warm to you.
I just choose not to wear my ring.
You married?
A story for another day.
No, because if you're married to that work, you're that wearing it, a proud for wearing, me still want you. And you more want me, I want you, brother.
Alright, so think about it. Just think about it and get back to me, alright?
I man, why I help Olive. What's your name? Olive, we're not gonna name that and she not Olive Garden, the restaurant. And make sure you're not dining there. Bye.
Keep business alone, please. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Watch out now. And nobody do no talking now. We do talking, yeah? Olive! Miss Olive! Olive, she did. Miss Olive!
How that? How that? Hello.
How you doing? How you doing, man?
I am fine, thank you.
Everything is alright?
Yes.
Nice,
Wish you
lovely,
can
man.
see.
Yeah, man, it's such a lovely day. I want to introduce you to somebody. To introduce you to my brother, Popeye.
Hi.
Yeah, man, as you can see, nice gentleman. So from time to time, he's going to come and be a representative of me here.
Okay.
Yeah, man. You see me? So, you know, as you can see, nice, clean, upstanding person. And you know, if you don't mind me saying this, you know, I notice that you don't have anybody coming here to hear any at all, you know. I realize, you know, normally my tenants would have people coming in every now and again. I realize, you know, nobody coming to check you. And he is very much available. Like, he doesn't have anybody at all either. So, look how it could have worked now. Wherein, if you and my brother were to say, connect, you know, make a nice little family, I believe it can be beneficial to both parties. Because he will have his wife and you can live here rent free. How does that sound?
Brutus, are you my landlord?
I am your landlord.
You sure say I'm a landlord? Cause it look like there's something wrong with you, sir. It look like your head chip this morning make you come call me from my work. Now me have to take me break. And my 15-minute breaks me taking up before time all because of you. You understand what me say? If you come talk foolishness, why you come and introduce your brother to me? Eh? Like say me they tell you say me want somebody. Me tell you say me want a man. Eh? Oh, you know my personal business say me don't have a man. What you mean you don't see nobody a come check me? So true, you don't see no man a come to me. That mean I don't have a man?
But you don't have to get all gyrated.
Me nah get gyrated. I am telling you the facts. The facts still remain that me and you never hold no personal conversation about my life. So how you carry your brother come fi come inter and look, God forbid. Look for your brother where you know I know other brother even if me did one man. Why you carry this a brother you come fi come give me like I said the worst one out of the family in a
What you
breed.
talking about? This is Popeye. This is a very decent, nice gentleman. Don't watch the juice I'm having in them hand. Yeah? And don't watch the shaking. It all goes away during the night time. And because time kinda cooling in the sun time right now, so that's why this little problem happening. But don't watch that. I guarantee you, so the kids them will be perfectly fine. Just think about it. A nice little family, and you don't have to give me no money at all. You just live here for as long as you're there with my brother. A beautiful family, you know.
Listen to me. I am a very respectable, hardworking woman. Very independent. Me not rely or depend upon nobody. Hello, sir. Whatever you call your name, Mr. Brutus. Me ever ask if you want month free yet? Eh?
No, ma'am.
Okay, that mean me always pay my bills. Me not ask if you no free. So free month or no free nothing, no free issue, nothing. Me not look no Samaritan. Anything me want me ask God for. So if me need a good man in my life, me we go down for me and ask, why you care this a brother? You know have no other brother even if me did. Me ask you one question, me say if you not have no other brother, even if me did one man, you choose the worst one out of all.
Don't
God
say
forgive
these
me.
things.
I am
Don't say
no
these
well,
things,
no
please.
disrespect. No disrespect. No, look for your brother with my shake.
Popeye, go on to the car, come in.
No, look for your,
Go
I
on to the
don't
car,
even
come
want
here.
to say
Go on to the
that
car.
word. Look for your
Go on
brother
to
with
the
my
car,
shake.
come in.
You look for the worst. So me awa, sir.
Appreciate if you just hold on your voice.
Hold on.
So
You
loud.
can't care them kind of man you come in my life.
But you can't talk to and try to disrespect the young man like that in front of
It
him.
look like he not even understand nothing when me and say. Me they tell us me want a husband. Why you want me if you go there with them the crosses there? And then I can't tell me about him can be my husband and me I go be wife. And what? You crazy Brutus? Brutus, me think you did have sense. Eh? You
Alright.
only have sense
Alright,
if you do
hear what?
business.
Hear what?
But
Hear what?
you know no sense when you come on to relationship. Brutus, me no shatter man.
I'm sorry, Miss Olive.
Brutus, what me just say?
Miss
Me
Olive?
no shatter man and me no want have no heap of man. Me rather one man alone.
You look like a ketchup
And
on a
if you
bad
never
day.
know me, me tell you this. Well, this is a new story to your chip. Cause it look like your chip where you have in your head. Something wrong with the shift. Me have me man. You just not around here when him come here. And him coming soon. You're out of order. Brutus,
sorry.
no care about your
I
piece of
am
old idiot.
Jesus.
Crosses,
Miss
Finan,
Olive, Miss Olive,
handicap
do not,
looking, the blood of Jesus.
Miss Olive,
Look
do
here.
not say these things. I mean, I'm sorry.
Look here, me 15
I'm sorry.
minutes
All
break.
right, go on.
Almost
Please,
up.
Miss Olive, please. You're messing up.
Brutus, you
Just
see
sleep
this
on
way
it.
down here, sir?
Miss, Jesus.
He not bother me. Brutus, you see this? Me can control it. A woman fi act like a woman. Brutus, me no want any man. I don't know every man can jump in at this. So when me go breed for man where deform, fi me pitney no count on deform, God forbid it will never happen. The blood of Jesus is against you and your stupid brother.
It's a small little correction. Just think. All right.
Think about what?
All right, Miss Olive. Go back to your work. I'm
About what?
very sorry, Miss
Look
Olive.
here. Brutus,
Jesus.
let me tell you something. At the wrong
sorry.
tenant this year they mess with you. Hear me I tell you?
Your voice and don't make other people hear you.
No, there's something you have to allow make crowd come.
No.
This need crowd. Because you out of your sense, you could never in your right sense of, and come to me, come give me your different brother. When not even set good, speak good, chat good, nothing good about him.
There's other people at work, Miss.
I do not care. Don't care about that man come to because me never tell us me want nobody.
I am sorry. It won't happen again, Miss Olive. I am sorry.
Brutus, me can ask you a question? Listen to me. You like me as a tenant? You want me or what? Or you come and use your brother as excuse? Me if you there with your brother.
Miss Olive, I apologize.
Why you never say to me say? You are look me then, all when me no want you. And if you hear what me have to say, and make me make up my mind and then me squit out if you rent. You dey come tell me about blood of Jesus. Go on which part they go. God forbid. Hey, you better not make all enough for your place. Carry my one another.
All right, Miss Olive.
The woman where you went show me down there so go introduce to the first time when me come here. Why you not go give that the woman that this a man here?
All right, Miss Olive. All right, no man.
So me an idiot.
Jesus, and Pete, me a beg.
So you can idiot come give me.
No, Miss Olive, I never said you're an idiot and my brother is not an idiot. Just understand.
Why you choose to bring this a man come to me? I what so? Where you see mark for me?
I apologize. I misread the situation and I was...
Hello. You see them kind of man there? Red flags on me gone. You're out order.
Have a good evening, Miss Olive. Just at least think about it. Please.
she really serious now. Can you believe this? Can you believe this? Man, Sir Brutus. Good afternoon, sir. I'm not doing very well. No, because alright, here's what I have something really urgent to talk to you about. So I'd just like for you to come by as soon as you can, as ASAP. Yeah, as soon as possible. Alright, thank you very much. Because I'd prefer to talk to you in person. Alright, thank you, and have yourself a blessed day too. Okay.
Yes, Miss Chosen. What seems to be the problem? I came here as soon as possible.
Good afternoon again, sir.
What seems to be so urgent?
So it's actually very urgent. That's why I'm sit down here and make sure some me wait for you as you come. So I'm actually awaiting you now. And you're so actually maybe they're right here so have the same conversation about this woman that you brought here, the new tenant. But so the woman I hang out more than a million and one draws. Like can I never think touch no wash her panty them. One woman can have so much panty. I remember saying me get my wire and put up my line. I'm talking about the line at least that I understand say she have to share, but my line and so much drag me never pin out so much drag yet from my band. Fast my beard, that's how I wash them. Like she don't wash for years. At 2024 now, I come like woman I wash right in the 90s. Me not understand.
Are you trying to tell me that she has? I'm pretty sure you're exaggerating.
I'm not exaggerating. Have I ever exaggerated before?
You really want me to answer that question?
Yes, sir. Because you know I haven't before. Me I tell you, if you go and go look now, you see one boatload of drags on the line. Me not understand all about drags, fishnet drags, fish stacking drags, plain drags, bingo bag, French cut, all type of cut, V cut, you name it. Me not about one swatch drags.
Were you trying to use the line, miss?
Of course. Then me not my clothes, I'm not washing machine, I'm want pin out.
So you wanted to use the line?
Yeah, I want to use the line. I'm ready to use it. I'm ready to use it now. Me not like how she have pin out too much things on the line. And on my line. And me a parent too. Fear money more important than mine money no money.
So the big
I'm tell you something, I don't like
emergency
her.
and the big problem is that she has too many panties on the line.
Very much so, sir. Very much so. Yeah, just as is. I feel very, very upset and disrespected by it. And I just
Okay.
the truth.
Here what I'll do. I'll go have a talk with Miss Olive and find out what is the situation with
I have a
this
feeling that
much.
she don't like me. Let me tell her the truth now. Because I just said that's time from. Because from the very first day she stepped foot in this yard, I realized she kind of have a little attitude about her. Yeah, Maria should have a look at attitude about her. And you know me, I miss Tudy, so when people give me attitude, I write the side them and I feel her. I'm not comfortable. But you did bring one man, ask you for why you couldn't bring one man come here. I want woman in here, I want the one woman to stay in here. No bag up, no bag up. Me no like it. I don't like it. You have me nervous.
I'm
I'm
confused as to
nervous.
what is actually the problem, you know. But here what? Rest assured, I will go have a talk with Miss Olive and I'll get to the bottom of this.
Thank you very much, sir. Yeah.
Is there anything in
Nothing else. I
regards to
just
the house or anything else?
the line come with the apartment in a sense because my line me if me I pay for my apartment and all of that so I just decide there. Me don't want no bag of panty them on my line. And then my panty them suppose no.
All right,
And the
so
panty
here.
them didn't even look good.
Oh my goodness. I am going to apologize.
See draws
I am
them.
going to apologize for the inconvenience caused and I'm going to sort it out as soon as possible. So rest assured, this situation will not occur again.
So
All
what
right?
you going for your brother though? Your brother find a woman. Girl, you not going good too, you know. Not going good. What going for your brother?
the offer is still on the table.
Brother,
Because
after this strong, my stomach, I don't know. Something there for good joke.
I tell you, say you need to think about it.
It's a strong man.
Well, you can take Pepto-Bismol. Help you sort you out, fix you.
Desperate. Man, look a bit
It's
desperate.
no, it
Desperate.
doesn't have anything to do with the desperation, miss.
That's all like desperate.
It is just simply a case wherein you are both doing each other a favor. You being a lawful wedded husband, wife, and him being a lawful man to you.
So what going for you?
I am off market. Unfortunately.
Like when you ring off market, come you can never say the ring upon your finger, you're married. What kind of marriage is that? You're not proud to be married.
It
You
is
don't even look
perfectly
happy.
fine.
You don't look sad.
I am
sad.
perfectly happy.
You don't look
I
happy.
am perfectly happy. Miss Chosen, as I did ask before, there's any other issues or matters you'd like to discuss with me?
No, not really. Yeah, more you
I'm
get
going
to the
to-
foundation of it
I'm going
because
to
something
talk to
right
her
in the
about
yard
it
here.
right
Ever
now.
since this lady come here.
All right?
I
Please.
don't like her. I tell you the truth. I don't like her.
Just relax. I'll sort it out.
Alright, I'm relaxed. And take care of yourself now, sir.
Always. Miss Olive? Hello? Miss Olive?
Come in.
Yes, please. Beg a minute there, please. Thank you.
I'm coming. Hello.
How are you doing, Miss Olive?
Okay.
And I know you probably have a lot of stuff doing, unpacking still and all of these things. So, I'm very sorry for the disturbance. However, I have gotten a call. I can't even mention as to exactly from who, but I have gotten a very disturbing call to say that you are here and you're hanging out 30,000 panty on the line. Miss Olive, I don't know how else to say it, but I've never known say one woman can have so much panty. Why is it that you would want to hang so many panty on the line, Miss Olive?
God. You see why I not like tenement yard? Mr. Brutus, sir. This is the reason why I do not like to live in a tenement yard. Because problem always did it. Problem always there. And it's the same problem I have before I came here. I live from one tenement yard to another tenement yard. And this seems like it worse than before. So I better me did see when me did the hello. Listen to me, sir. Is your rent you come for or you come for fasting and almost drives me hang out on the line?
But listen to me,
Because
Miss
me don't owe you. What is your problem?
So why are you talking to me like this?
Ever dear, are you just a
No,
pass by in your vehicle
no,
and see me
no,
and
no,
hang
no.
out me drives them on the line and no one can tell me say you never see one woman that hang out so much panty on line.
Miss Olive,
What is the problem,
I
sir?
was at my house,
Yes.
real well relaxed, and sorting out my family.
Mhm.
When I got the call to say that you are here hanging up 1,000,001 panty on the line, Miss Olive, I would assure you that I would not waste my time to literally drive, come watch the place because I trust that I had rented the place to a responsible individual. Look, Miss Olive, I am not that type. I expect you to treat my place as if it were your own. Hence, I give you the responsibility of taking care of the place. All you do is give me money for that situation. I don't have nothing to do with anything else.
So Mr. Brutus, sir, what you try to tell me say is a tenant call you from your home and tell you say me a hang out my drives them on the line? Well, listen to me now, sir. Me need you to get this straight. Whenever I buy underwear, panty, drawers, whatever you want to call it, it is the same thing. I do not wear them just so. They're all new. Me buy them in the store and me
Oh.
have to wash them first before me wear them. So me fi can catch up infection. Eh? Listen to me, Mr. Brutus. Do you know the amount of people, hands, fingers that touch women underwear before them put it on? It can cause infection. Me have to wash out everyone first before me wear them. So, if me even hang out a million drawers pan the line, no dirty thinking drunk or tenant we in a this yard, you're not supposed to come make no phone call and they tell you the amount of panty them when me hang out pan the line. All that concern them. That's a reach your ears till you have to come to me. What is the problem? So me have no right to hang out nothing pan the line.
I never said that, Miss Olive. And I
You know, so the only thing you're supposed to come to me about, Brutus, is your money every month, and me know me not owe you. Me can't owe you so fast.
Miss Olive, I am very sorry for the misunderstanding. You see? And when I got with
You know, so me not assume, and me not think a judge me a judge. Kill me dead. A the girl where you live down there so, where you carry me go introduce to. You know, so from the first day you carry me go down there, boy, you introduce me to tenant, the spirit can't take her. From the moment me see her, me see crosses from the little girl. You know, it look like stay on her there. But me tell you something. You see any landlord whether they with tenant, me and them can't agree, you know. Because the tenant I go can use and tell like on other tenant. I mean, you know, I got problem in the yard, you know, Mr. Brutus. You know that? So you better, if a she, you better go back go tell her, Steffi mind her own business and come out of my prerogative. Because me and her no friend, me no know her from nowhere. It's the first time I see her and it's that day when you bring me here. You understand me? I mean, I look no friend from no tenant because I no want nothing from them.
Oh my goodness.
And the little all crosses girl beg like dog. Every minute she want onion, salt and pepper. Everything she beg. She never have nothing yet. And she's a little news girl on top right. If she ever know who she a play with. You know my name, sir?
Miss
You better
Olive.
tell her again because she look like she forgot. And my name Olive. Me no play with people. Me come here so fi mind me own a business. Why she in a who to tell? Who
Miss
to tell her she
Olive,
know they can't use money and the rest of people them?
Miss Olive, calm down. I never said it was anybody. I never called no name. I just said that tenant was concerned, and then I just come to talk to you about it. But then you
The
explain
line
it to
when you
me.
tell me say me fi hang me close one. It belongs to her or she have her own line?
Jesus. Miss Olive, you keep on a pinpoint a
No, but
person.
me have to make
I am
nice because
saying,
this thing is getting worse and worse every time I hear this, every time I hear that. When I not Tom or Dick or Harry name, then call up. Me
Olive,
not like it.
Miss Olive, as I said, it was a clear case of misunderstanding, and I apologize. I am sorry for disturbing you. I'm understand. You see me? My apologies.
Me not tell no lie, no Brutus. You know the amount of work when me inside I do? And if I did know say it's a little dirty, nasty mix up that little nasty mouth girl down there, so come give you about me and my draws them, I would have never come out here. But I tell us if you call me on the phone and ask me about it. Anyway, me sorry and excuse me because me have something doing.
Miss,
Me have
I am
something
my
doing.
apologies. My apologies, man. Go right
Me
ahead.
have something doing inside, sir.
Go right ahead, Miss
Brutus,
Olive.
you need to tell the girl if she shut her mouth. Her mind, she put herself in a problem. And stop call up tenant name.
Miss Olive, I never call no name to you.
Ask her one something. Just one slight little something. One little teeny question.
Miss Olive, I don't think I'm going to appreciate this question when you're going to ask me right now. And I don't think I can answer.
This idiot I carry news to you all the while. I look here, Are you an day?
Miss Olive, have a very good day. Please. Sorry about it again. Here. Jesus Christ. People get me in trouble, man. Sure.
Yes, Brutus. Mother like if you come up at the apartment right now. Yeah, this a drastic. It's serious. Okay. You busy? Please leave what you do and come now. Me a wait for you.
Miss Olive, what seems to be the problem? You called me, you sounded urgent.
Mr. Brutus, are you the landlord?
Yes, I am the landlord.
Yes, me know say I landlord. And anything happen in the yard and me call you, you always a take long for come. You understand? But this now, me can't take it no more. You know someone wash me clothes and hang it out on the line.
Yes.
And when me go round there, me clothes them missing off my line, all me drawers them gone.
Are you sure?
Me panty, you know him underwear, drawers, I see him one, I
Miss-
see him one name so. Me
Hold on.
can't believe so me hang out my panty and so and couple clothes on the line. And when me go round there, almost the whole of them gone.
You check around, probably let the breeze blow it off.
Breeze, don't call breeze. Right now, y'all get me mad. And now get me upset. Worse than how me feel already. Brutus, me clothes them missing. You know when something missing?
I'm saying you could
That
have.
mean me hang it out on the line. When me hang it out on the line, me go back around there, me don't see it. It gone. It can't come off by itself. Then can't walk.
And you're sure?
I feel want and take copy. And my mind tell me I win, but I don't want judge. But let me tell you something.
Miss,
Make this be the first and the last me go warn you. You see, any of me put back my clothes them pan in line, and me go around there and don't see them. Hell and powder house go happening in this place, you know. Okay.
What I'm going to do, Miss Olive? I'm very sorry that you're missing your clothes, yeah? But what I'm going to do, I'm going to be placing some surveillance camera around the place to ensure that situations like this does not occur again. I am very sorry that it happened.
Camera. You know so much people have broke place and camera did they like people business with camera. People have dry eye nowadays. Then you dry, they no business, then do anything. Camera can't save you. The only thing me have in my head right now is the pepper one of my dry scratches them and hang it on the line. Then we know who. Okay, I'm serious.
I don't know. I can't advise you as to how you're supposed to go about trying to detect
So
everything in
me
about.
must just lose my underwear them just so.
I'm not saying that should
I
be
no
the
free me
case.
get them, you know. I no free me get them. I buy and me work very hard. Every day me have to sit down on computer. My eye hurt me right now. Me need glasses. The work when me do, it hard. Me have to take call. Every time me have to receive call, me have to know me and answer people them and everything. All of them they struggle when me go through with the pay where them a give me have to know me I do with it. Me can't just buy my panty them and hang pan line and just miss and nothing come out of it.
I'm not entirely sure what are you asking me to do in this case.
Me want you to either find out who the pan the compound when name draws thief or the thief people close, or you get back my panty then give me. Or me maybe can make it go on and not say nothing, but anyway happen again, I got problem in here. That me tell you, come like you're deaf.
I will settle for the last one option. We put in place the measurements to try and prevent it from happening again. As I say, I'm going to put up a couple of surveillance cameras to ensure that I have things watching from that side and from this side. So anything should in case anything like
I see
that.
the girl where you introduce me to down there, so me don't trust her. Me not trust her.
I
My
don't like the
mind
name
tell me
calling.
say she are the
Oh, my
thief on the compound. Why every time me
Miss-
hang my clothes them pan line then gone? Me
Miss
not
Olive,
understand this.
Miss Olive,
What?
I would like you to refrain from the name calling, please. I don't want you
Me
to
not call
accuse
nobody
anybody.
name. Not telling like for me.
I
Me
don't
say the
want
girl
you
down
to.
there so she name.
I don't
She
want
name the
you.
girl down. Me not even remember what she name. She name the girl down there so. Oh, so
Please.
you take up for your
We
tenant them.
know who we're talking. We
Eh.
both know who you're talking.
You need to know who me and talk because me need to know who take my panty.
But I am asking you to
Well,
not
God forgive me
accuse
if me
anybody
God
without
forgive me if me judging
evidence.
wrongfully. But my mind tell me say a she thief it. Me I'm go say she.
All right.
Me say the girl down there so me
Well,
no
here
call no
what I
name.
will
Come
do.
like you take
Here
up for
what I
people.
will do, Miss Olive. I will go and inquire. I'll go and ask her if she sees anything or if she hear anything about the situation. Please, I would advise you just don't get too upset about the situation. I am very sorry.
Well,
I
I'm
will take responsibility for the situation.
You know, I don't want to hear nothing more. 'Cause I just that mind call. The people them a wait for me online.
I am going to
me have the
sort it out.
work to do. And you waste my time because you not tell me what me want to hear.
What is it you want me to do, Miss Olive?
Go figure out how them thief me draws, man.
And I said I will go and ask a couple of questions. I don't understand these tenants, you know, man. They keep just calling me for some things. It's a possibility, you know. You know what? I'm going to ask. Hello? Hello, Miss Chosen? Miss Chosen? Hello?
Yeah, coming. Hi, handsome. How are you doing today? It's nice to see you. Can I give you a hug?
No, that's okay.
Okay, let me come on the outside.
Not necessary.
We could better communicate. Allow me.
This is never black, no, nothing.
So
We can
why you
talk.
come so strong? No long for see it. I'm glad to see it. Come on now.
Me no long for see you.
What me do this time now?
Look here now.
It's just always something. I mean, no say some lie. It's just always the lies. I can't with the lies.
I
I'm
never,
outside and talk to you, please.
I never even did. I didn't even. I never. You can see right there. I never came and I never accuse you of anything. I never tell a lie, but yet still you just jump to conclusion. You hear what I have to say yet?
Because I know say I make people set you up and curb against me and look how me there and cool and alright. Me there whole long and pay my rent and see it. Me tell you I say you need to get rid of that woman there. All of a sudden
Here they
here
again.
comes the devil.
You bring up the lady
But me just
again
see
and
it, say she
again
a come
and
out.
again.
Alright.
Chosen.
Don't talk. Talk
Chosen.
about. You really miss me?
Since I've been here, I've never had a case like this happen. And someone went around there and the lady let me know say someone thief or close them off of the line. I can't I don't know.
Okay, you must check them before you come here, so you know. And I don't wear the same size. So I couldn't miss. So you must check the next neighbors them.
Listen to me now, man.
No, clearly, look.
I am
Me and I
saying
could
to
have
you
never
that
wear the same size. How? Where? Show me where. She have a way bigger body than I do. So come on now. They must come look for
if
me if you come
Miss
say bring me
Olive
out on a date.
make a complaint, I have to go through.
Olive,
Seeing as I am the owner for the property, I have to follow through on an investigation and try to get to the foot of what is actually going on.
But I take a lie detector test right now.
So you are saying that you have no idea as to why the people in clothes are missing.
That part. Yeah. Exactly what I just said. But I take a lie detector test. If you can't afford it, I don't have money like that to the family, I don't know.
Look here now. Alright, so what I'm going to ask you to do. Seeing as you are just one fee, always
No, but I don't mean no. In all honesty speaking, no, like I would just go down and live it. You really feel like I said me? Oh, where? How me go fit her clothes? How
Miss
wicked is
Chosen, I
that?
do not know you. So I don't know what you're capable of.
No, but look, but you can't
And
tell
I
my
am not
size. We don't have the same body
accusing you.
size. So what me gonna do with it?
Take them in. I am not accusing you of anything.
You like Olive? You
Listen,
claim to your married. I feel like you have a thing for Olive because I still cannot get past the fact that I was here first paying my rent and all of a sudden you come with all of these accusations and you just pick a side. You always come at me for you like you're so pressed. Why are you so pressed?
simply just saying, Miss Chosen, if you see or hear anything about the whereabouts of our stuff, them,
Look, I'm glad to see you. And look, you make me for the go on like a back of bush me come from. I'm can see so.
Miss Chosen, thank you very much for your time.
You know what things we could have done with the time you just come here? And you will literally waste it and talk about somebody that
Who
makes
could have
sense.
done?
We could have done. We could have done.
Me not speak French. Have a good day.
You know what to say as I deal with me, I have shame, you know? Hello. A minute, please.
Hi.
Good day.
Good day.
I haven't been seeing you around a lot lately. What's going on? Yeah, as me said, I haven't seen you around a lot lately, but I know see you did it. So me say you just lock up in your house, you hardly come out. You know, work at the time. What kind of work you do, if you don't mind me asking?
No, not at all. You know, say online work?
What kind of work?
I work online. Yes.
Oh, so something
So
like.
you stay home and work. You depend on your phone and your computer.
Oh.
You don't have
Oh.
to go out
So you're just making money from the phone.
online.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Okay. So like what kind of job title then I give that, like
Alright, listen.
customer service?
It's like a customer service thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, where people call like to make them payment and so.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And you tell them the procedure for them follow it. So
Oh,
after
okay.
you speak to them about, you look up on your computer and look who make them payment, because sometimes they tell lie, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and sometimes them pay it already for two and they want to make another payment for the month or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
You give them all of the info,
Oh.
and then after that now you put them on hold and send them on to your supervisor, so then them redirect them and tell them the rest of stuff for them to do.
Okay,
But
cool.
all you have to do, learn to socialize,
Mm-hmm.
communicate,
Mm-hmm.
make sure you always smile and everything and know how to interact with them. Because if you follow them, you know better one work with that agency there. Because some of them not talk to people good. You see, if sometime you don't have one good heart for you, listen to them and know if you talk to them, you lose your job. And nobody want to work with that agency there. But
They
I'm not
try
really
to
the
say
agency, your
it.
problem, you know, people them.
Oh.
Yeah, so sometimes to you really want your job, you have to make sure so you talk to them the best way you can, because you know say a customer service you do, you know,
Yeah.
and customer come first.
Uh-huh.
You understand? So
Yeah.
that's why I have to stay in, because I can't bother if you go every morning, go out in the sun and go lift up this and that. So online work, you can't just go online and Google it a whole heap of agency
So you
there.
make good money after it also?
Yes, of course, them pay good.
Yeah. I check it out, that no sound tree bad.
Yeah man, them pay good man.
Yeah. And that me just still access still, because true, you know, check for you something, you know, I want to know say you're good, me just see you lock up in the house, so me I wonder what go on.
Yes, and then have one new place I build up a land or a sub. But then them soon start taking on one for people.
Have me
Yes.
to put in my resume and my application letter,
So
you
you could
know.
have let the employer this. So.
Yeah, come on bad, me can talk to people and something, I look at you, man.
Once you have it here, so you know if it, you know your
Yeah.
book and you can talk to people
I'm
and
glad me say
whatever.
something to you then, because I can take that into consideration.
Yeah.
As I said, just that me did want to say to you one more thing though.
Oh.
Me partially, I don't know if you know, but me partially have shares in a building here. Yeah, me have shares, so that is why when the landlord did
This apartment here with me rent part of it, you have shares in it?
yeah, I have small shares in it, man. But that's why when the landlord did a rent a place, him bring it to me. Because normally anybody where my rent, him introduce me so I can review it personally, you know. Can come to a basic agreement for now. So alright, then the person yeah, acceptably in a place.
Oh.
Yeah, but
Okay.
I actually have shares in a place, man. Yeah. What you see him again?
Olive.
Olive. Nice to meet you again. I'm not really good with names, chosen man. I'm not really good with names, you know, so I feel know if I ask you. But as I say, I just did want to say them few things there to you. So just go and bless up yourself, Zin.
Okay.
It takes so long for answer. Hello, good afternoon. Yes. Yes, Mr. Willis. Good morning. I'm calling because I have some very relevant information, sir. Yes, Mr. Yes, sir. I have one neighbor. I have one neighbor. Big scammer. Yeah, I want to give some information, but before I give you, I want to know, sir. I can get one little reward because time hard and something and I can't give out information and I now benefit because a millions she make big and she have enough giant and something come here she a talk on her phone and something. Yes, the Shrewsbury housing scheme. Apartment 4. Apartment number 4. Her name is Miss Olive. Yes, big scammer.
Good afternoon, miss.
Good afternoon, sir.
I'm looking for a Miss Olive.
Olive. Yeah, she live right up there, sir. Is she here come board for Joe?
Yes.
I know Olive. Olive live right up there, sir. Right up there, sir. She live right up there. So go through the second door down there, so and go upstairs. Up there, so she live.
Which one of the numbers?
Apartment 4.
Okay.
Officer.
Time.
No go yet between me and you. My business, not people business, you know. But you see that woman there want scammer, you know. That woman there, I want ring of them, one big ring of them, and them a top scammer. And you see when I catch her, do me, I beg you. One thing, to get locked up. Locked up for a long time, I don't like her. But she come here, be a problem.
Alright, miss.
Her.
Just don't, just
I'm
keep.
not until I see you come.
Yes, I'm going to go up there, so
Oh, you go up there now?
just stay inside.
Yeah.
Alright, miss, just don't come into any police matters.
No, sir, me never there. Me I go in now.
Hello?
Hello. Hi. Who is it?
Good day, miss.
Good day.
Are you Miss Olive?
Yes.
Well, miss, I've come to the understanding that you're being involved in some illegal activities.
Like what, sir?
Lottery scamming.
Me? Wait, a joke I make. Man, I rang you to come.
I'm not a joker, miss.
Mine are the wrong you to come, sir. My name is Alice. Very independent, hard-working woman. Where you get this information from?
Well, miss, we got a call today that some illegal activities have been going on in this residence. The person says that the person said that the person's name is Miss Olive. So I've come here to tell you this information.
Me. This is Olivia. Me, we work so hard for my living. Hello, sir. Me look like I say me involved in a wrongdoings to you?
Miss, I do not.
Are you judging me wrongfully?
Miss,
Are they underestimate my educational background when me take and do my work online?
Miss, I'm not trying to tell any lies on you. I'm just telling you the information that I have been given. So I'm just here to follow up to find out if this is true. I'm not trying to tell any lies about you. I'm not trying to guess off of your clothing or anything. I'm just here off of the information that the police station has been given.
Sir, let me show you what kind of work me do. Me work home, online. Me a no thief. Sir, me work at first global zinc galvanized center. Hard working person this. Me a no thief. Me no dealing with them the kind of foolishness there. See, you can see that is the name of the company. This is a call center. Why you feel say me would have going around doing, sir?
Miss, it's not me. I'm just telling you.
So, officer, me can ask you a question, sir. Is everything everybody come and report down by the station and believe and just come to come accuse and assume and arrest people just like that?
No,
No, try to
miss,
figure out
I'm
and
not
find
trying
out
to accuse you.
if it is true or lie or whatever.
Miss, I'm not trying to accuse
But
you.
since as you come on me yard, that mean whosoever care that the kind of news they come tell you, on take in everything and on believe else you wouldn't reach here, so.
Miss, if the police station is given information that lottery scamming is going on, we have to verify it.
Well,
So
sorry.
I'm not going to.
You got the wrong person and they're the wrong yard because I don't deal in them the kind of foolishness there.
Well, miss, I'm not going to arrest you, but I'm going to need you to come by the station with me
Why?
because we need to verify it from your company that this is true. Because even though you might be showing me that information on your phone, you could still be telling me lies.
Okay, all right, come on, me ready.
Okay then, miss.
Me ready, me have my proof. I have a problem with that.
out here, so Miss Olive. What is the problem?
Are you me a wait for you notice? I call up on the phone and I wait for you all long. And from me come, me no move from you, so not even go, me no go in the house, you know. Me need to talk to you. Me need to talk to you. This is very important and it's very serious and I cannot take this thing no more.
What is the problem?
I'll start a problem, whole heap of problem and a bad, a wicked, dreadful problem with it, and I cannot take it no more.
Oh man, this sounds serious.
Listen to me now. Of course it is serious. Me there me yard good.
Yes.
I feel me yard until me left, you know, me a pay for.
This is right.
Me there me yard good. Me hear knock on my door. When me come outside, it's police that greet me. Police come on me yard.
Wait, what do you mean police? Wait, police,
You don't know any police?
like routine check police pass through?
Police. We work a police station, do them random check and all kind of things, take report, take statement, can people go court, serve them warrant, police we do all kind of things.
So what was the police here about?
This police came to me about me doing lottery scamming.
You?
Yes, me. The police have one bag of stories of it tell me. So they get information down at the station about me or me they scam every day here so. Upstairs.
Really, Miss Olive?
And them have proof. And how me if you come down a station, contact to them about it. For them prove. Say I know me. All when me show the policeman my phone. Say a call center me work.
So Miss
Me work online at home. Eh?
Christ.
But me don't tell us something, you know. Mr. Brutus, whatever you want name, sir. My mind tell me, and if me the judge wrongfully, Father God forgive me. Say is that little dirty, nasty tenant where you have down there so. They try to mix me up and put me in a wrongdoing, which I'm not. I am a very hard-working, intelligent, independent woman. I try to live off of my own bread when me work for, no for thief. You understand? And this girl go mix up my name in a government book till all police come on me yard.
I cannot
Listen to me.
this.
A matter of fact, from the other day, I can't take the problem them, you know. Only because I am not a news carrier. Sorry. I mean, I try to be no informer upon nobody. And from the other day,
Yes.
which me mentioned this to you already, you know. Me I miss some clothes off of the line. Few clothes missing. But I told me I'm no informer. Every time when they missing, me can't bother if you take up phone and I call you or they talk to you about certain things. You understand me? Just keep it. You understand me? Me miss, when I know 2 piece, me miss 3 piece. I'm going to tell you something. You know, say all my panty them I wash and put on the line. Some of them gone to. But me no call you and say certain things to you. From the one time, I tell you something did miss something. You say, me not even sure. Because maybe me misplace it and put it down in my house. Me no bother say nothing more. But after that, it's a continual thing. Constantly thieving, me close them. And my mind tell me say, is that little dirty wretch where they don't there's a thief, me close them, you know.
Take time on that because we don't want to go around and accusing anybody of anything. You know?
Me not accuse.
But
as me said before, if I the judge, God forgive me and pardon me. But me no see nobody else pan the compound, they behave certain type of way. She they go on one kind of way, and a matter of fact, you know the reason why me know say is this girl care me name to go down a police station or either she go down there or she take her phone and call the police them. If me know me not judge. Me not judge, although me they ask God forgive me if me they judge her. Me not judging. You know say the girl see me. You know say the girl see me? Eh? Today the girl see me early on.
yes.
Before police even come to me. She see me. And she come to me right on my door there so. And gonna question me. Oh, she not see me from when. They come out or they go in. She notice me stay inside all the while. What kind of work me do? A she man. She's the problem. And me can't take the problem no more. So listen to me now, Mr. Landlord, Brutus, sir. Anyway, me tired of the problem. All these problems where they go on is one person that do it and you're going to lose a lot of tenants because of she. And me a fall person that is a good tenant to you when no home me rent. Guess what? Anytime you come and you not see me, it's gone, me gone. I will leave your key, give somebody. And you see the deposit, the money in the back for the rent there. Where in case me left out and name pay, me know me not own none. So you give me back that, but me not want it, you can't take it too. You can't take it. Me not have nothing to do with the yard
Miss
again
Olive,
because me
Miss
did live
Olive.
which farm me did live and me never in a no problem right now. Me not even me a hear you and me not even want to hear you, but me understand so me have to go listen one at a time. But me need you to get what me I say and listen the reason why you're going to lose a lot of tenant because of that witch. She's the problem. Listen, me not done. You know so when she come to me and they question me what kind of work me do, you know so she said to me say, me just remember, she said to me say, the apartment, she is a part of the share owner, she own it.
Part on what? Look here now, Miss Olive. This is where I'm going
She
to tell
said
you.
she's a part of it and she own it.
This is
She
where
have shares
I'm
in
going
it.
to stop you.
She said she have shares in there.
Don't.
So maybe she want to get rid of me. Because she must think say me I look you.
Nothing of the sort. Listen to me. Miss Olive.
Me nah look nobody, me and my man.
Miss
And this
Olive.
girl is very out of order. Listen to me, you know. Right now, me dey on my wrong side, you know, Mr. Sir. I am on my wrong side. And right now, nothing can calm me down again, you know, right now. And you me see that girl, you know, a judgment in you know. Because,
Olive,
you know, mind chap,
don't
this time police are come
resort
handcuff
to
me. Because me
violence.
and her maybe warring you. So you know me I going to leave your place.
Just hear me out now, please.
Me I'll leave your place.
Listen to me.
Can't take it no
May
more.
I ask if you just calm down and don't make any rash decisions. There has to be
I'm not a wrongdoer.
I never said you were a wrongdoer, and I believe
no, she
what you are.
hear me not go
But
on
I
my book.
believe what you are saying. But we can clarify this. Look here now. I am going to get to the bottom of this matter right now. I'm not even going to let it rest. Not one more second. Just go take a walk. Go and go take a walk. All right? Please. No, sir. Right away. Hello? Chosen? Chosen?
Yeah.
Yes, man. Come here, miss. I want to have a word.
Good day. How may I be able to assist you today, sir? What did I do this time? What's that look about? What did I do this time?
Look here, now, man. Don't come at all innocent in this, you know. Because I just really, really can't believe you went this far.
What are you talking about?
What do you mean by what I'm talking about?
And who can you look dirty woman up there so kind of fool
Stop it.
come tell you, you know,
Stop it.
here you know.
Stop it.
Same thing. I'm listening. What is it this time?
You know, Miss Olive called me. The lady was so distraught. Police come on my apartment. I've never had police have a reason for police come here. Police come on my apartment, come arrest the young lady, saying that she is inveigling in illegal activities.
You don't know what go on. Let me tell you what go on. Because you don't live here, no, you only come and go. You don't live here, just come here, come collect rent and check on things and evaluate things and make sure the things are right. You know who that there? The woman there want real classes, you know? She don't know what go on up there, you know? They say that woman there want mix up woman, you know? Me I watch her, you know, she go on innocent and all, but that woman there want to throw some things, but I want talk, you don't understand, you know, Sir Rufus.
Chosen, you are here as a tenant. I never hire you for security.
But she thief.
I never hire you for watch the people, my tenants them. I you're paying your rent for your space.
Yeah, privacy and happiness and
But
comfortable.
who give you the right to go call police and tell police but the woman is doing illegal acts? You care the woman, you make the woman name get tarnished and gone out of jail for what? For something that you did not know about.
So why police don't lock up somebody for something if they never do nothing? You think about that?
She did not do anything. The police had to verify it by the station and she simply went and clear up her name. The woman is a call center worker.
She buy out the case. Me I tell her say a big old top scammer that day. I be a big giant share chap. What you know, but you don't know anything.
You know what I discovered more than anything else?
You
is a big mix up, you know.
Me mix up? A she mix up?
You is a big mix up, you know.
She very, very mix up. You know who that
you know what your problem was or is? You never read it. It was in the contract. If you violate any of the tenants them and the cause, give me just cause to throw you out, then I go put you out. And I am sorry to inform you, Chosen, even though you have been here for a little bit, me have to get rid of you.
Me?
Yes.
Me whether you're period and time how long and this cross woman come and you choose her over me?
Listen to me.
No, man.
bring too much personal vendetta against this woman without knowing the people them.
The thief in the scamming woman.
And you keep on a talk.
She and her friend them a scam and a chop and
In the
something.
name
You
of
don't know what
Jesus,
going on in the living.
You know, say you don't listen. You don't listen, you know.
What if you say you put me out? I'm in there pay my rent and time. I'm gonna have no
It is
what if you put me out?
it is not debatable. I have come to my conclusion that you cannot coexist with
So
nobody.
why she had to just come here? Before she come here, no problem.
The lady did not do anything wrong.
Before she came here, was there any circumstances here before she came here?
And clearly you have a problem with her since she comes. So why is it that, look here now?
No, you know you have something against me.
I am very sorry.
You have something against me.
I am very sorry. But miss, you are to be considered notified.
No, you can't.
You have 2 weeks to get your affairs in order
2 weeks.
and leave my premises. 2 weeks for sort out. As a matter of fact, it was stipulated in the contract if you give me just cause for immediate eviction, me evict you immediately. But because you were here for a little bit longer time, and you keep on a pine finger woman, you are the problem. You see people business, leave it alone. And see it, you cause me for be losing business. This is a tenant that I could have. This is the woman pay rent and the woman is working. And you keep on talk about the woman a problem.
So
why you don't listen?
Rent. I'm not pay you.
So why you giving problem?
I'm not getting problem. She try to mix up and I tell lie for me. I try to know how she thief and wicked. You know some things I'm not talk. I'm there, so I still not talk certain things that she do me. You don't know who that woman there. What is Father God?
Look here now. I made my decision. You got to go.
We can't go. I don't have nowhere to go. My work and pay.
Well, you should have thought about that before you do the foolishness.
I have nowhere to go. You can't put me out.
You don't have nowhere to go?
It's hard to find for rent. What
then
you
know if you think about them things there. Eh? I cannot help you.
Leave me alone, please.
Me, if you tell her to leave you, I
Yeah.
cannot help you, miss.
You're
You're going to have to go. No. No. You have to go.
I don't have nowhere to go. And that may I tell you, I don't have anywhere to go.
Chosen, you should have thought about it before.
But they are good, you know. But they are good before the lady come here. But they are good. Look at me, they are good. And you come and go. You see me again a problem? Me never did I give no problem. And she come here with her enough self.
Quite frankly, I'm disappointed, you know.
But I am disappointed if you know, say, put me as your first tenant. I was the one that was here first. And somebody come with foolishness and lies. Yeah, put me out. I'm a parent. I don't understand.
Nobody's telling any lie on you. And you're standing here in front of me and you are telling me bag of lies.
I know the truth shall come to light. I don't have nowhere to go. You can't put me out.
You don't have nowhere to go.
I don't have nowhere to go.
You don't have nowhere to go.
Here before, I'm a parent. No problem never there until this woman come here. All those tumble as the woman come here. Why all these things that happen when she come here?
Miss. You know, hold on there. Come to think of it.
Here I know. One next lie we should tell Pammy. What happened now, sir?
Just listen. You know, standing here and listening to you, and you saying you have nowhere else to go. It has dawned on me to say, you may actually have a chance.
Why here? Tell me.
See, you did turn me down the first time. But this time now, the tables has turned, and it is more in my favor. So, I will allow you to stay here under one condition.
What kind of condition that please don't make it have too much shampoo?
You're going to have to marry to my brother.
Which brother?
I don't have more than one brother.
Which brother? Your handicapped brother?
And there you go again. And there you go again.
Give me pill and
well, that is my only term and condition. If you don't want to work with it or if you can't comply, then 2 weeks time, I am sorry. But that is it.
So when me go with him, who may carry him go meet?
Listen to me. That is your business.
I go a party and I go shop or something.
I do not want to know about your whereabouts and your business. However, that is my terms and conditions. If you're willing to work with it, then you can stay.
Carry him go. Who me go walk with him on the road?
Nothing
don't
is
understand.
wrong with my brother. What you
Nothing
mean?
wrong with him, but you know, like there are people like there are people with him like
Well,
we
shut your
like him.
ears and shut your eye and walk straight.
No, how me go see where me I go? It might as if you show man because I shut me eye, might as me just walking around carrying dead. Cause me not have no forgot me you want to marry. Me can't, brother.
Well,
No, me can't. Your brother.
look here now. You put yourself in a
Me not
situation, you know.
salt.
You put yourself in a situation. Well, if you
Every
don't
when
want to
me
deal
go,
with it,
everywhere me go, me and people meet
listen to me.
for wrong reasons.
You know what me have to deal with. So here what? If you don't want to, then you just
Your
leave.
brother.
Well, you have
You don't have
tonight.
no cousin.
You have tonight to think about
You
it.
don't have no cousin and no uncle.
You
Your
have
grandfather.
tonight
Me
to
just
think about
can't.
it.
Me can't do that,
And that
brother.
is final.
Alright. But I want big expensive one and the biggest ring too because I don't have money and he ugly. He ugly and I don't want him. I don't want him. Come on, boy. What you do with him? Where you put him?
Alright, so that was it, right?
Thank you very much.
No, sir. So where you get that heavy old fridge from? You couldn't get one smaller fridge.
Brutus, I don't like small things. In real life, big things me like. A matter of fact, love.
Hey.
From the big and you have use, I might think that.
I get you.
My fridge big, but it have use. And you can put a lot of stuff in there. Yes, anyway. I never remember if you tell us that the AC want fix. When you come back and fix it?
You never, you know, say me going halfway. Shuffle around something. Oh, yeah, man, don't worry. I have a brother I can send come sort it out for you.
Brother?
Yeah.
The same brother. Where when they
No,
introduced
no,
him
no.
about married and sitting. You're mad?
No, Olive, man. No, man, not that brother. I have another brother. And he specializes in fixing AC units and cleaning them. So, I go send him forward and make him sort it out.
Say did have more than one brother?
Yes, man.
So make you did want introduce that the one day to me when that it was so righted.
Look here now. Just know, say, I go send my brother. It is just fine. It is fine. Don't worry about it. I'm going to sort it out for you before the summer kicks in.
Okay.
I'm going to send him to you as soon as
So
possible.
I'm a professional pan them stuff.
Yeah, man, him special that way, the man. Him is a specialist.
Anyway, me can't take this sun. The heat, yesterday glider fight, it affect my eyes. So
It's rough.
me I run go back inside, go finish, tidy up and so. So thanks for come.
Another thing I want to just adjust before you go. You see, I'm glad say now you settle back down. And you know, so we get rid of you know who already. So
Jesus God, nobody point down there so.
yeah, man,
I mix already for mix.
but down there so gone, man. No worry about down there.
Oh.
This is a past.
Oh.
Yeah, then
She gone.
yes, man. Got rid of, man. Good flush out.
So you have new tenant now.
There's nobody there just yet.
Oh.
There's nobody there just yet. We are going to see if we can find somebody. But then don't worry about that.
That people
So, I'm
always
just-
want place to rent.
Right. So I'm just making you at peace, you know, say, oh, I am very sorry again for the inconvenience when it happened the first time. And I can assure you, said nothing like that will ever happen again.
Okay.
You see me?
Okay.
All right, ma'am, Miss Olive. Anyways, I'm a person who I'm supposed to meet shortly, so I'll go and run. Take it easy, yeah?
All right, thanks for
All
coming.
right. Yeah, man, later. Come on, baby.
What? How you doing here?
You mean by what me I do run and then you call me?
Oh, did remember in a car right now, I have a lot on my mind.
You mean by what I'm to you?
I'm a mother me.
Hold on there. What do you mean by your mother and you? Yeah, your mother no live together. Like something really wrong. So make your hands up with you.
You could ask me in a car right now. Anything I do with this, I had stop do it.
It that bad?
Yeah, she want me to come out her place. She need me to find somewhere and go. So, a morning time when I wake up, I stop sweep up yard. I don't depend that again.
You can't, no, you can't do that, babes. You have to stay. You know, I know where else we go.
Me have to move out our place, so where me I go?
No, you have to go fix it. Go fix it, man. Don't
Fix what?
fix back your relationship with your mother. Don't come out.
She need her privacy and she need her own space. By the way, you not have apartment around there rent? Yeah, remember you tell me say the girl that move out over there, yeah. Remember?
I don't remember.
Yeah, man, you tell me say girl move out from around there over there, yeah.
I mean, a little bit and chat too much, you know. Why am I saying that?
I want make you say so.
But,
No, I must a reason why you say so.
no, but, you, remember say the apartment have to rent and rent higher, sitting so.
So me in the day I go rent me room. Not tell me for chic, I'm not fool.
We are talking, I said, me and my wife, you know, you cannot do
So
that.
you live and me live totally different place from you.
Oh, Bush have
Nobody no
ears.
know you, around here, so. Nobody no know
You'll be
you.
surprised to know. You can't talk to me sitting there, man.
Anyways, yeah, me get the room or what, because as we talking right here right now, my mother pack up my things them. I'm happy come out her yard. She said I'm happy come out her yard. So right now me try sort out somewhere for go. And it just come to my mind. I remember say you have apartment renting.
So that's why you call me around here.
No, another time I call you, no. I just call you for me and you talk a little bit. A long time I not see you and something. So what you say, yeah, me get the apartment for go and stay. And if you don't want me to stay at the apartment, I can just move come in your yard. Because remember your wife overseas.
Oh, you can't do that. Let me think about it. Give me a couple months to think about it now.
Couple months. Today, not yesterday. Today, my mother want me move out our place. So it's either me move, come round at the apartment, or your yard. So choose.
Alright.
Choose.
Here, I'm gonna make you stay around in the apartment. Little bit though, you know, you can't stay there for no long time, you know, I give you 1 month. You cannot stay, it's a business place. But here what there's rules also. You cannot come around there and come cause no trouble. You can't make nobody know say me are there, you know.
No, sir, what I'm to you, Brutus?
Me just know so when hear me say. Don't make nobody know say me are there. Because I can't afford for no foolishness going on there.
Alright, so wait, when you want me move around? Today or tomorrow? Because my mother want me move out her place today.
When night come, you come round.
So me a night owl?
Just do the thing discreetly, no man. You know everything you feel loud up, you know.
But you can't act like me a parent.
You can't act that.
Yeah, you can't act like me a parent or something. Look on our yard stay. If me and my mother did a friend, you feel the yard did a stay so? And she want me move out our yard.
You look bad for choosing. But you should have did even though you're she not on a good terms, you could have did clean it up, man.
Yeah, mad.
You're still in the house.
So I'm done with this yard. Now clean up nothing more. Hello?
Who is it?
You can look here for me there, please.
Come in.
Hello, good morning.
Morning. How can I help you?
You can call the landlord for me, please?
Who you? Why me should I call the landlord?
I may beg you a call so me can call him.
The landlord don't live here saying no. You saying tell us I live?
I want a new tenant then.
You?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I may call him. He expect you?
Yeah, I expect me to come
Alright, wait there, hold on. Let me call him. Wait there. Hold on, let me call him for wait. Hold on.
Alright.
Oh yeah, Brutus, morning. Miss one lady come here so say them want talk to you. You expect anybody?
What she look like?
What do you mean no? Anyway, she begged me a call, so hang on. Me just will give her the phone and make you talk to her. Here.
Hello, who this?
Hello, Brutus.
Who this?
Apple.
Apple, what you doing at the apartment? Me tell you if we wait till night.
Come if you come now, man, I has my girl in your yard.
Come on now with you and look here now. Me tell you if we come back in the night. Me tell you if we come.
Listen, come if you come, me and a night owl. Me already tell the lady say me I want your new tenant them, so come.
Oh Jesus! I cannot believe this. Look here now. Hey, look here now. Go back out of the road. Go back out of the road and come meet me. Meet me up on the road.
Meet you out on which road? The sun hot and right now me a sweat from head to toe.
Me credit.
Hey, they say you have 1 minute remaining, so have a day. Have a nice day.
Me credit.
Come in.
When you say him will come?
Mm-hmm.
Him will come over here or you go back?
Yeah, I say I come. Because I never plan to go back in the hot sun. Because you see me already a sweat as.
Anyway, me don't know you, so me can't let you in my house. If I say I come. Stay right here, so if rain a fall, you stay under this.
Alright, ma'am.
If he say I come, me know him, he will come.
Papa, let me wear you something. Oh yeah, fa. Me already reach.
You know follow instructions. What did I tell you? Me tell you if we wait until night. You come and beat down the clients them door.
Wait till which night?
You cannot come and disturb my tenants them.
Eh?
What is wrong with you?
Disturb which tenant?
What do you mean by disturb? It's problem you come here for come give.
You know, so your back a tenant did out so before me enter yard. It's like she smell me a come.
And then you come and beat down the people them door.
No, she was out here. She a look mix up.
Look here now. Me talk to you about this already now. You cannot come here with your foolishness.
Never come here with no foolishness. Everybody
Where's-
have their own opinion.
Where's Miss Olive right now?
I don't know, you know. But even know her name, so.
The lady which you just disturbed in the house.
Why you ask me? Me have camera behind the woman, me have eye behind the woman. The lady gone about her business. If you want her, call her.
I need to know because I cannot afford for her to hear these kind of conversations. She knows that I am happily married.
Miss Alina or Olive no care about us. If you make me stay in the apartment, I me know right now, cause
But you're not even staying up here, so. It's down there, so I was going to let you stay. I don't know why you come up here, so I can't controversy in the place already.
so why we there here so have a conversation if I down there so me I go stay? Hmm?
Look here now. Don't come here with no foolishness, you know.
Don't come here with no foolishness, you know.
You really take this thing for a joke. I realize that everything,
joke,
Chris,
man.
but everything.
But you
I
know the
go in for the
situation
key. I go in for the key. Just go on down to the apartment down there, son. Come. I come into you. Go on, man. Jesus. Miss Olive. Oh. What's you doing here?
I take out my clothes in my file line before rain come.
Okay.
Hold on there. Wait there. When me I come down this series, me kind of hear one little conversation. Me not sure. Me no know if what me ears say, I saw it go. But anyway, how kind of conversation that you want The girl, you know.
It's the new tenant, man. It's the new tenant.
I want tenant.
Yes, man, it's the new tenant. Miss Apple. Yes, man, it's the new tenant. You know, I just never did want to say anything yet because it was not concrete. So I did just a hold out a little bit because she never did give me the full deposit. So now that she paid the money.
Brutus, not talk to me so nice like you're nice. Brutus, you know, I notice you enough for me place what me I pay me rent. Brutus, me notice say everybody, anybody, from anywhere or anywhere, you take up and fling in a place. You remember the last time what happened? Brutus, me no want me, me no say, listen, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. Me not judge. Me not assume. I'm just making our statement. Thank you. So, it can go so and it cannot go so. Brutus, you have to make sure who you put in your place, you know. Because me no want it. You notice, say, Fran, the next one gone, me in peace, and me settle down and alright. Me no want me and nobody in nothing. Please, me want me clothes them stay on the line in a peace. Jesus. Me want me things them stay in a me place in a peace, and me no want nobody to watch me because me not watch nobody.
It is nothing like that, man.
I me not give no message.
No, man, it's nothing like that, man. Everything is alright, man. She well brought up. She come from good brought up, see. So she alright. You know? Our parents them are upstanding citizens in the community.
I said the last tenant where you make gone. The one where you give notice and she fly gone. Remember say she thief me drawers them and she take away everything. Do me the beg you, me nah say that one ya, but you don't know who is who. Me just say something, but me no give you no message. She go give her, cause me no, she just come and me no want me and her feel no argument, please.
Yes, make we keep it that way there.
Yes.
Yeah,
but
man.
When me I come down the stairs on the sound like you know inner sick me, I wonder if you know there.
No, man. You see, because it's business and I never did expect her immediately. I never did expect her. She came on me kind of sudden. So that was just a simple case. Me I tell her, say, you cannot do business like that. You know, because I don't want people to assume things. I'm happily married, you know. My wife is just not here. I just don't wear my band because it's kind of getting a little bit tight. I'm happily married, man.
Brutus, all right. You're married, but you don't look like you're loyal. Go take out my clothes them and file line. Later.
All right, miss. All right,
Later.
The key are there. Wake up, man. You can't sleep, sir. You see reach. Just see. You just look driver, you just asleep already. Come on, look here now, man.
Rain away to better, so you know. You have to sleep on the couch.
Focus.
Where's that one?
Look here now. You need to go sort out this AC for this lady.
So that's how there.
Right. So I need you to go deal with it. I need you to big man. I don't want you to do anything else. I want you to focus. Just sort out the AC. I hate to say you go jam alpha, right? And I don't want you to go farm full of the people in place. Worse is how many are miserable, you know.
So wait. What do you mean farm full? What brother, what you talking about?
Hey, alright, everything Chris, you know. Everything Chris, this is your chance now to prove yourself. Say you got all of them long hours there in a Jamal, you learn something.
Yeah, teacher teach me good.
Alright.
Yeah, she taught me how to get these work done. You understand? You trust the brother? Yeah. You trust the brother? So tell me something. When we done nothing for collect money?
No. Don't collect any pay. I will pay you.
Brotus. You say why you go on last time and depend on the Brotus. You understand? Don't give me no little bit of money. You understand, Brotus?
But if you work, you're going to get paid, you're going to get a due diligence, brother.
That you say?
Big brother.
Alright.
Nah, go around.
So, all lunch and go.
Which lunch?
What do you mean say which lunch? You think
What is one pay? Hold on, man. Another have another thing to say. I don't want you to go in there and go look the people in. I cannot afford it because I don't want I get a complaint the last time and I don't want to hear it happening again.
No, listen.
Don't look the people them. Be professional.
That the woman there, she lie. I was not looking her direction. Me lay down asleep because I done work. She had changed her clothes and face me I look on she. I never want nothing under what she a show. You understand?
So who
Because-
sleep with their eye open?
Listen, I ain't sleep. You see, these glasses may be the problem. I need to change my glasses. I go buy a red one soon. But I don't understand why people looking at me and thinking that all is well. You understand? What me go do now is go do the work. But lunch, can I get a little lunch money?
Here what I'll do. Me we carry lunch come.
No.
I'm going on
No,
the road to get it now. I'm going on the road right now to get it.
Brotos. Last time I dead for younger for that place there.
Don't worry about that, man. Don't worry about that. Just go. You have all of your tool, them?
Yeah, that's right. I'm back in the water just in case you return the food.
I'm going to. What kind of food you want?
Eh? Rice and peas and chicken and veg on the side. You understand?
All right.
So later.
How are you?
You miss a homie.
How are you?
How are you?
My name is Sally.
Who you, me say? Who you?
Me, my name is Jasper.
So where you come to?
It means I come for work.
And my name Olive, of course, but who send you to me? Sure say they're the right stuff?
Miss Olive, why you disrespect me? Why you disrespect Miss Olive? Oh, come your appearance look nice?
No. The way you talk, the way you look, and the way you walk. Me not think you come at the right doorway.
Alright, here we go. My name is Jasper. I come to fix the AC.
Who for AC? You must be mad to rotted. Who for AC you come to fix? Who send you in this area there? Who? What person name?
Brutus, my call and tell me I come fix AC.
Are you Brutus send come to me?
Professional.
Blood of Jesus. Wait there. You're certified?
I am my trainer, my teacher.
Certificate?
Listen to me, yeah, listen, now listen. My teacher trained me. I'm very professional, certified.
You
Ready or you not ready?
you're professional?
Yes.
You ever fix any AC before?
Air condition, yes, I did.
A lie.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. So where's your name again? Jasper?
Jasper.
Come.
You know what's my favorite color? Green and black.
Your favorite color, green and black?
Green and black. You look nice, not green and black.
Come and show you AC.
I'm gonna lock the door for you, mate. You lock the door for you.
No, me lock the door. Jasper!
Oh, there.
Jasper, come here. It's like you're in the bathroom.
Eh?
Jasper, what are you doing in the bathroom?
What do you mean I'm in the bathroom? Me I fix the AC so you can get cool breeze later.
Come here, Jasper. Come here. Come here, may I talk to you?
What happened?
Jasper, when you come, what me tell you say you do?
Fix the AC.
So what?
The AC I run that. And off. And off.
Jasper,
Mm-hmm.
let me ask you one little simple question. But me know how you feel now way. How much somebody in our family stay like you?
What you mean, boy? How much are we?
You not understand what I mean?
Plumber, electrical worker, chap bush. Them something there? You talk about?
Jasper, me not understand you. Me sure say you must understand what I mean. Your brother, we did come here to me already, you know. But he want come marry me. A handicap. No, you come for
Handicap you call me?
just
That's
listen.
disrespectful. You understand me?
Listen
You know
to me.
how hard we work? Eh? You call me handicap? Eh? What you call me? I discriminate people like me? Eh?
Jasper,
You're tired, man.
You have to take it so
What means I take something to take it soft? Eh? Don't do that, man.
Jasper, but your
Come
brother
to fix it.
handicap and you handicap. How much left in our family handicap? Me not understand. Why Brutus take you and send you come to fix my AC and you're gonna fix toilet? I tell me about you fix the AC for me get cool breeze.
What you mean?
And a toilet you fix. Me send you in the room to fix the AC you catch in a bathroom.
When me there Jamal, right? And my brother come past me and say, it's time for me start fix up things because me I understand certain things now. Eh? You tell me say, me not there on a level now if you can fix them something there. This year, water heater. Water heater. Oh. Water, heater. Aye, next one.
Jasper, nothing no do me toilet.
My next one. My next one.
Nothing wrong with me toilet. Me tell you, AC, you're gonna fix toilet. Go on in your yard.
No, you have to pay me.
Me not give you no money because nothing no do me toilet. Who to telephone and mash up me toilet bowl, you know, make it can't flush.
Listen to me. You see, your hang on your toilet never work. That toilet now it can't flush properly. So it come like a God send me a toilet then since, because I never know say at that alone. Me I go fix the AC next.
Go on in your yard.
No, you can't do that. Money come with work. And a pleasure me come offer. You understand?
The door where you walk through come in and some Jasper go on back through it.
No. That not work today. No, it happened already one time when the people them tell me for idiot. More want me pay.
Jasper.
My brother tell me say, no.
Jasper.
No, me no.
Jasper.
Are you assault me?
Go on in your yard. Me not owe you nothing. Go on in your yard.
Assault me?
What? Just go on in your yard before me shut your box.
Assault me. Alright, no worries, sir.
Try tell Brutus to me call him right now. You hear me I tell you? Jesus Christ. Lord have mercy. Me and Brutus are going to have it out to send his handicapped brother come here about him a professional. Brutus, you need to come here right now. I'm the outsider wait for you. No. Me don't want to hear that. Me need to talk to you. This is important. It's urgent. Emergency. Come now, because this is serious. No, me don't want to talk over the phone. Me outsider wait for you. I don't know what my credits. Me can't bother.
What is
Me have a bone to pick against you. Every minute you make me have to call you. Brutus, I am a landlord, but you come like I say I'm here. The way you act like you're an idiot. Or you want to run my life or ruin my life. Which one? Eh? Me have bone to pick against you, me have read against you, me have everything. Every damn God Almighty thing me have to pick against you today.
Calm down, Miss Olive. What seems to be the problem? What is so urgent that you had to make me turn off from where I was headed? It's a good thing me did I drive close by. What is happening?
Brutus, you take me for idiot, not true?
Why would you say that?
Mrs. You take me for one big piece of dirty papi show. Yeah. After you introduce your brother when I have no use to me already. Me never know say you have another brother like that. He look worse than the next brother where you show me before.
No.
Why you say? No, Brutus. I this a man where you send come fix the AC is your brother. So the whole of you in a fear generation them stay so how you come so good.
Miss Olive, I would appreciate it. You don't be so derogative to my family members.
Derogative to my family members. Look here, me tell you something. I rent me a pay so.
Yes.
And me have all right. If anything happen to anything in the house, me call you as the landlord to come fix it. You need to get it done. You send this out. Look here, I don't want to swear today. And what kind of brother that you have? Him worse than the next brother where you send come.
You cannot say that. He is very good in fixing things. Him can fix it. Trust me. It may take a little bit of time, and I will admit, he's a bit slow. But he is very smart. He is not no...
Papi, now say that again. Both very smart, but he works slow. Where? When and how? Which summer? Which holiday? You mad? This idiot where you send come over here so. They act like I say, they put argument to me. He can't even say, me like you good. He can't talk properly.
What?
You know hear my stutter? He can't even make a good pronunciation of no word. So the hell, where am I go? Me show him the AC and he gone in the bathroom and fix the toilet bowl? Like seriously? Him a plumber? Eh?
I don't know. There must be some form of misunderstanding. Probably never hear you properly.
Which
misunderstanding? Where is he now?
Too much of them the kind of people that in your family. And you always a send them to me. Nobody will have sense different from you in your family that could have sent come to fix the AC. Me tell you something wrong with the AC and the AC want fix. You say you send one little idiot brother where you have. We worse than the next brother where you introduce me to both me figure married brother. And me no parent. Who the hell is you? Eh? First you tell me about to the next brother. Me fi married your brother and me no pay no rent. Me say no. No, me want AC if you fix. Your brother come to fix style it. And me show him the AC and me know you must tell him say AC. And when he come, me tell him say AC and me show him. He gone night tell him go and fix style it by all the blood of Jesus. Then he don't come back at me yard.
I am very sorry, Miss Olive. I am very sorry. I never know say this had to occur. Okay? Now I will talk to him and I will ensure say him stay away from as I tell you, him kinda slow so really him probably never hear clearly. Alright, no register properly what you said to
A
him.
school in there go no big old tough kin man. A back of the class in the day. Dunce.
No.
Look here, me no want hear nothing.
Please no.
Brutus, you're wrong.
You can't
First of
chastise
all,
my brother,
me
so.
no want hear nothing about no chastise no brother. You know say your brother no good up here so. You know say he no set good. And you send him to come fix my AC. Eh?
But we all
And
they need
at
work.
the end of the day, he not even look like he know him AC, he can fix toilet bowl. Right now, he wreck my toilet bowl, he can't flush.
Jesus. I'm going to sort it out.
You need to change the toilet bowl.
I'm going to sort it out. Fret not, I'm going to sort it out.
Call me new brand tissue when they point up at the tank, he make drop down in the toilet.
Oh my goodness.
Soak of water, it cannot use again and you need to buy it back. I need a whole case of tissue for that. Only two out of that. Don't send back no idiot to me. You hear me I tell you? I walk.
What is wrong with this? I can't get good health these days, you know, man. Choo.
No, I smell like all the man, you know. Can't stand the woman, you know. Must don't as she a come.
Hello.
Alright, yeah. Hello.
You alright?
Yeah. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. I just come to give you a welcome gift.
Oh, that's so nice of you.
Yes, welcome to the apartment.
Thank you.
I didn't get your name. What's your name?
Oh, my name is Shanice and my friends call me Apple.
Okay. Nice meeting you, Apple. You seem like a nice person.
You too.
Look like a very, very nice person.
And you look like a nice neighbor.
I would like to talk to you more.
Sure.
But I hope you enjoy your welcome gift.
I will try to.
Yes, I do some baking.
Okay.
Very nice cake.
Smell it well fresh.
Pineapple cheesecake.
Thank you.
Yes. So enjoy it, yeah?
I will. You
Okay.
too.
Okay.
Stay blessed.
Thank you.
And what she feet. I would have want person do God. A woman in the right it in her head, you know. She don't write it in her head. It's either she could catch me lies or talk the truth. I not eat this. I don't know how she vampires.
Jesus, she threw away the cake. No. I have to go around. What kind of wicked person this Brutus rent the place to? She evil. Why she throw away the cake? What she really thinks I could have do to the cake? Me no wicked so.
Miss Olive?
Brutus, what kind of ghetto people them there you care come on the place? Eh? That girl is ghetto. I'm classy. Can you imagine? I gave this girl a welcome gift and she take it and throw it in the bin?
What?
I said, the idiot where you take and carry her. The one where you bring her or carry her, I don't know what you do. Whether you make she did it for free, whether you're on her day, or she's a tenant paying rent just like me, I do not know. But she act funny. Can you imagine? Me give the girl one welcome gift. You want me just say? Me give the girl a welcome gift.
I'm listening.
And me they sweep up me yard, and when me walk go close to the bin, to throw the rubbish in the bin, me see the gift for me give her in the bin. What kind of ghetto style that? Eh? She not appreciate nothing what me do. Me never have to do it because I don't know her from nowhere. It's just a gift. If she never want it, she could have given me back from the beginning. But me can't say she not come from nowhere and she not used to nothing. That's her first gift in her whole life and she take it and throw it in the bin.
Miss,
You know how much money me pay for that, Brutus?
Miss Olive, calm down. See, I really let me apologize for the behavior of the young lady. And let me state, we don't there. I have my wife. Remember, I'm happily married. Yes? Happily married. So don't go assuming things and them something there. She's a tenant paying her rent like everybody else. Now, what you did was a kind of gesture. I understand that. And trust me, that was really rude of her if that is exactly what she did. That was really rude and disrespectful. I'm going to address it. I promise you, I will get to the bottom of this. I am going to sort it out because I know you did it from the goodness of your heart and I appreciate it for you, for her.
Brutus, I think it's time for you to get some upscale people in this apartment and stop bring hoodlums in the place where they bring down the place and you say a fear building. Eh? A matter of fact, you say you're married. I'm not see no ring on your finger.
I'm
Eh?
happily married. I'm very happily married. I just, as I said to you, the ring squeezing my finger, I'm going to get it resized.
No man, and that uno man do. If you're married, for sure, wish me no know. But call it say you're married.
I have a wife.
Whether you're married or not, call it say you're married. If you're married, why you take off the ring? If you look next woman.
No,
For
it's
next
tight.
woman.
I put on a little bit of weight on my fingers them. So maybe
Brutus, you're
resizing
full
it.
of excuse all the while. I take your take off. If I chew you the talk, you take off your ring. If you look next man woman, if you tell them say you don't have no woman.
No,
You're a
please,
wicked
happily
landlord.
married. I'm going to introduce you to my wife as soon as she
Me,
come from
I
foreign.
never see you with a woman yet, much as wife. Eh?
Well, she'll go
You not
into-
see my ring on my finger. Eh?
Let's see.
You're a wicked.
So, no,
More
but as
finger
I said,
too fat.
my finger get a little bit of weight. And so I go take it off. But I go carry go gym and make it exercise. And I go, as soon as if it go back down, I go put it back on.
You did hear what I said from the beginning of the conversation that girl where you bring down there, so she's ghetto and I'm classy. So you need to bring one upscale people in at the place.
I'm
Because this is a residential area. We don't need no hoodlums here.
I'm
She
very
a bring down the place.
Aye, aye, aye.
I can't stand her, God forbid.
I'm going
I
to
don't want to hear
I'm
it.
going to Can I don't believe this apple come in my place with Chow. Hello?
Yeah?
Come here, please.
Well, wala, may go fig iki for pulig. Well,
What?
what's poppin'?
I can see say you settled in and all right, yes?
It's like I'm alone happy to see you.
Look here now. I'm here on business. And you see when I come to this apartment, unless we are inside and behind closed doors, I don't want you to friend me or deal with me like we did. I want you to operate like you is a client.
Oh, so I say I pray now. So me have to go start collect money from you. Like a client. When you come for illegal something. That me have to go start do. As a client. Right?
Are you an extortionist or something?
You so know.
But you're in my place, using my light, and all these things, and you want to come charge me?
So you go down a JPS, go tell them to shut off your light. Your water heater even not work in my bathroom.
I'm coming back to... Hold that point, I'm coming right back to it. What is the matter with you? No, your tenant never had to do it, you know. Miss Olive, out of her goodness of her heart, imagine, can one housewarming gift come give to you, and you take it and go throw it in the rubbish? What kind of attitude is that?
After me know why your tenant come over here, me no know what she put
Jeez.
inside that gift, so me take it that she way.
Apple, what is wrong with you?
And the
The
woman
ladies...
look blasted, mix up and bagga too. Me not like her.
Oh my goodness.
Me don't like her.
I don't understand, you know. Look here, no, man. You cannot operate like that. You have to be friendly, and you're gonna put yourself on her radar now. Because she go throw her rubbish this morning and only for find the goodness gift what she give to you in the rubbish bin.
Me not can tell her say you make mistake and throw you out there.
Look here now. Don't bring me in on a mix up. Do not bring me in on a mix up.
First of all, I don't like your tenant because she always a look for me in a some type of way. Like she feel like say she better than me. She not better than me in no way. Not because she a parent and me there so I live for free. All in her name they with you.
I don't want you to say things like that here. I want you to just... You can't just operate like a professional for a minute. You have to behave better. Apple, you want to stay here for a minute? You have to do differently. No, I think you should go apologize to Miss Olivina.
Apologize my box foot. Tell the lady say you make mistake and throw in a rubbish bin. Don't come in an argument with me. Go argue with the water heater where you need for fix. You can't rent tenant like me somewhere and water heater not fix. First and foremost, the AC not blow good. Cause see there, sweater kill me.
Hold on there. So Miss... Remember, you're not paying any rent here. So if you take the initiative and go find somebody to fix it, that would be good for you. I'm going to get my brother, come sort it out.
Do that quick and fast.
I'm going to get my brother. The water heater you said not working.
And next time when I come down here, come speak to me in proper and nice, in a nicest way. No come deal with me like say then girl run a back road I talk to.
You're behaving like them. Look here now. I want you to be seen but unseen. Heard but not heard of. You can't act like a ghost.
No.
Live like you know live here.
Mm-mm.
You don't know how to do that.
No.
Look here now. I'm going to send the young man come sort out the water heater for you.
No. Quick and fast. Cause me can't be in a cold water. You know me have to wake up 6 o'clock a morning time and go about my business. And when me a be in a bathroom alone, cold water, I come like a ice on take through in a tank. No man, do better. Warm water for bathe with.
But Miss Apple, a board house you did live in. And which
with
part you
water
did live?
heater.
No,
With
no,
water
no. You
heater.
had no water
Of
heater.
course, me can just go boil little water on the stove and throw in my bath. So yeah, me did have water heater.
So why you can't do that now?
No sir, me I waste too much gas. And the pot them too expensive. So me can't put water in it for boil. A food I go in a them pot there, not water. I want some grocery down here too. Once you want me to live here and be unseen and unheard of, make me comfortable. I want grocery.
I never wanted to live here. Is you insist?
Well, now I live here. Unless you want me to wash the dish and push it down, turn it down, grocery. And we make it cobweb up, you know.
I'm going to get the man to come and look at the water heater for you.
And the grocery too.
I'll send him with something. I
Want
don't like your
30 grand,
behavior.
what 30 grand, 30,000. I know you collect money from the little big mouth woman. We can't tell her say, me dash you a gift, go for your rent for her and come give me.
I cannot believe this.
You can keep it 15 grand for yourself and give me the 30. I know you collect your 45,000, man, so just do the right thing.
What you know about the people in business?
Yes, Tama.
Look here now. I'm going to send the young man. And
with it,
leave
remember
people.
this.
Christ.
Hey, neighbor, good morning.
Hi.
What?
Me alright, you know. How about you? You good?
Yeah, I'm good. How me not see you from when?
You know, I'm not an eyeglass. My office staying and work, remember? Work online. Call center work is a busy thing. You have to do it customer service, answer call. You know, you receive call, tell them the details, all the info and everything. Whatever they call about. So I have no time to waste. I have to stay inside.
By the way, how much you pay for rent?
Eh?
How much you pay for rent? Yeah, you me at
Me?
Yeah.
And I hear say you live?
Yeah, yes, I'm live.
The same apartment. So why you ask me how much me pay for rent? Then if you are pay rent and me a pay rent, you're supposed to know how much for the rent.
Yeah, I know how much the rent, but
How much you are pay for rent?
60,000.
60,000 you pay?
Yeah. How much you are pay?
85.
See, I know say the apartment them big and different, you know, because over for my side, now have where you have AC and everything there. And that's say you pay so much.
I'm not being disrespectful, but can I ask you a question, please?
Sure.
Why you come and questioning me about my personal business?
I just ask a simple question and you know, if you go answer, no.
Anyway.
I just inquire for your friend.
I think me tell you what my name.
Olive.
Yes. So you say neighbor thing where, hello neighbor, I don't like it. So next time when you're going to address me, good morning, Olive. And then me think if me fi answer you say good morning. But anyway.
We may go hang out together. Come. I know you not like a neighbor thing, but come.
This girl.
Then the long mouth woman upstairs close pin them. No, me I go do. And punish her. But she try poison me with food right there.
I understand. Oh. I mean understand this. Me hang me clothes them on the line. with clothespin and now me come back and see clothes and no clothespin. Me not get this. No man, me need to call the landlord. Me can't bother with them problem here, you know. Brutus, me need to talk to you right now. Me dey run at the line. Yes, me stand up at the line when me close them up on the line. Right now, me a wait for you. Right now.
Morning. Morning, Miss Olive. Why are you showing me these? What is the problem? Something happened?
Right you now, the morning no good for me, so it don't make no sense me answer you about the morning part. You see me close when me hang on the line? Where the clothespin?
Why you asking me for your clothespin, Miss Olive? I wouldn't know where your clothespin is.
You know, pick up what me I say. You can read in betwixt the line. Me hang out, me close them this morning. Now me come back to take up me close them. Me see only clothes and no clothespin. Some would like to know what going in this tenement yard because me can't take it no more. I cannot take it no more. So you see all of my clothespin they were missing off of my line. I don't mind chop up more clothes than this me did hang out because me never count them. You understand? Me just wash some clothes and hang out. I know me come back and see only these clothes and no clothespin. That right, sir?
First of all, are you sure you put clothespin on the clothes them, Miss Olive? Because I don't know how to feather somebody to actually come and take your clothes off, your clothespin off of your clothes, Miss Olive. Why would they do such a thing? That don't make sense.
Why would they do such a thing? I may ask a question there? Silly question. Why me would I wash my clothes them and hang them over the wire like this without clothespin? And that you have to ask yourself. Why? Them are days here of chewing over clothes pan line done a clothespin time. And a matter of fact, the girl up here rent where they done this, sir? She look like she not pay no rent.
What kind of stupid question is that? Miss Olive, I don't know what you're implying. You need to talk to me.
Me I imply, say, me and the girl stand up a talk, and she come and ask me, how much for the rent? Then if she in there so long, why she ask me how much rent? That means say she not paying any rent because if she did the pay rent, she wouldn't ask me how much me I pay for rent. She would already know how much for the rent. She not paying any rent.
Miss Olive?
Yeah, Ginal.
Miss Olive, respectfully, that is none of your business. But at the end of the day...
And my business, I mean, she come question about my rent. Someone wants to know where I go down.
I do not know what is happening between you and that young lady, you know. Look here now, you don't keep me out on a business. I don't know nothing about this. You called me about your clothespin. Talk to me. I don't understand what is happening about your clothespin.
Look here. I don't want to hear nothing from you. I need back my clothespin them, and if that the girl did not pay no rent, I stop paying too.
I'm not running a patty shop here, you know.
Patty shop? Because it is not fair. And a matter of fact, I need my clothespin. 1 million times I tell you. I want back my clothespin them. You hear me I tell you? I want my clothespin.
I'll buy you a pack of clothespin.
1 pack? You know how much clothes I did hang out on the line?
Jesus
You know how much clothespin did upon it?
Miss Olive, you want 2 packs of clothespin, I'll get you 2 packs of clothespin. My head, right now, my head is hurting me, and I really cannot take. I cannot be bothered with this.
Start hurt you yet. Me have a great mind she thief my clothespin them.
Oh my
And I mind she have to take off all clothes too. Me don't sure about the clothes, but me sure about the clothespin. But me just can't remember how much clothes me hang out on the line, because me never count them. Me just know so me hang out some clothes and me come back and see so clothes, no clothespin.
Miss Olive.
Look here. I wanted a thief in tenant take care of me.
Miss Olive. Miss Olive. You should have an idea as to how many clothes you have on the line. You find anything missing, miss? If you don't see anything missing, then do not accuse people. That is false accusation.
No false no in it and no accusation no in it. Listen what me say first before you jump down my throat. Me say me no know the amount of clothes me did hang out on the line, so me no know if none missing. But then me sure say the clothes pin them missing. And that me say, because me never count them. You're deaf.
If you're not sure about the clothes, you cannot be certain about the clothespin.
Like seriously, then take a two big old dirty eye, them and say no clothespin on the panel line.
Then,
So
but you're
clothes.
still not certain about the clothes, so then me could have assumed say you never put no clothespin on the
Brutus,
clothes.
if you know me know, before me get police come in the yard there for me things the way I miss me tired of it, you get me clothespin them give me and take off part of my rent. And that me I tell you.
What?
Oh you mean before me go to your wife, you understand me?
But I don't understand this. How my wife come into no
Me
argument?
figure out what I going for a long time. You is
can-
a liar, you is a cheater, you is a womanizer. You is a womanizer. You.
In the name of Jesus, I am so happily married. What is wrong
Don't
with you?
call Jesus' name in your mix up on your dirty mouth, you
Look
little
here
blender.
now. I stood in front of the pastor and I said, for better or for worse, for life. What is wrong with you?
Hey!
Until death do us part. And my wife is living happily where she is. And I am a happily married man. Look at my finger.
You and your wife married, I don't know, sleep in the same bed, I don't know in the
She is
same house.
away. Miss Olive, we live in a residential area. We cannot be behaving like this. This is beneath us.
Residential area.
Look, I will purchase 10 packs of clothespin for you. There's no need to get police involved, and I don't understand why you're bringing my personal business into this thing here. You call me about your clothespin, address me about that now, and leave my personal business out of this. I don't understand. Look, you live in my place, you have to pay your rent.
Hello, me not owe you nothing. But if your care girl come here, they deal with the girl.
Jesus.
And they act like I say, me not take me too big bulky and then see say you cheat on your wife. So you know want me tell your wife, you come and contract but you will buy me 10 pack of clothespin. Hello, me don't want a 10 pack of clothespin from you. Just buy back 3 pack or 2 pack give me. Me satisfied because me already have a lot of clothespin. But me need to put me things on the line and come back and see them. You understand me? I say, right now, son, I burn me because you're your thieving tenant.
Miss Olive, please, have a good day. Just take your time and go relax your brain, come out of the sun and okay yourself, all right? But just come from exercising, having a headache based on this bag of problems. I don't like these unscrupulous behaviors happening.
Shut
These
up.
things are happening
No,
just,
you're not
I
in
don't
front.
like it.
I own no landlord make people disrespect you know. You can't tell me if you have good day. You have a good day when you give me my clothes pin them. You hear me I tell you? I'm going to ask the thief in girl down there so if she take off none of my clothes them and file and me no want hear nothing from you. You is a hypocrite towards your wife and my clothes pin them.
Why you keep bringing my family into this?
Because me I go tell her if you don't give me I am no mind chop you have to take off 3 months rent too.
Jesus. Papa, what seems to be the problem here? You see, I can't understand why Miss Olive is under the impression that you come up there and take off the clothespin off our line. Apple, you don't have clothespin.
Me look like me I walk a thief clothespin to your shine head man. Don't me have nothing. Me not go tell Alif to go look for him clothespin then. Me look like thief to you.
You really want me to answer that?
You can't answer man.
Right about now, I don't know nothing, you know. Because you showed me a total different side of you, you know. A side that I seem to can't understand. Because since you move come here, you're behaving and gyrating as if you run this place. Why you go up there and ask the woman how much she pay for rent? Is that any of your business?
I don't even would answer you. I just wipe off my mouth and put back your word at one place at one part. You see, I need to go upstairs and go tell Longmouth Olive to go find him clothespin them. Cause me and you and Olive never sleep last night. You come and say you don't even say morning.
Say morning for what?
So chew me a catch at your place. I mean, yeah, and give me a little roof over my head. So you feel like you can talk to me anyhow.
Look here now.
Are we read this, you know? Oh, careful.
See, this is something I don't understand with you people, you know. You see, once when I get a little inch, when I take a mile. But I will let you know this. The instant me have to come back to you here, so, in regards to any of Miss Olive's property, as a matter of fact, did you trouble the woman clothespin her clothes?
Clothes. Me and I wear same size, come me big and fat. Fear clothespin them too small and can't hold my clothes and too thick. So tell Olive say, anywhere I'm putting clothespin them in go look back for them. Cause me and you and Longmouth Olive now fresh. Get that?
Look, you say you never take it? Okay. But why would she assume say you take the clothespin? And why is it that you use the same line she using? You don't have your line on yourself for yourself. Why you don't stick to your side? Huh? These are simple things. Then again, you go up there and question the woman about rent.
So me no must inquire about the rent.
For why? It is none of your business.
Come on, start pay rent out of your pocket. Is that a problem?
You know, some feel like you delulu somewhat or somewhere. Is the heat bothering you?
Are you a bother me? You know, so if you come and say me not have fun, at where you black.
This is an utter the disrespect that is coming from you. You know what? I feel like I just want to just shut down this place and get rid of everybody. You know what? I think it best I leave you and go about my business.
Do that, cause I don't want you upset my spirit anymore. I don't want to be disrespectful to you. So take a little time and walk, go back to Olive, but tell the long mouth woman if you have a crocodile, if you go find her clothespin.
You know what? Let me leave this place.
Miss Apple?
Hello?
Miss
Who
Apple?
that? Who is that?
Wow.
Hello. How are you?
Like a green turn. My name is Jasper. I come to fix your water heater.
Come to fix what?
Your heater water, your water heater.
Me eat a water, me
Your
water eater.
I just a color. There's a problem with that. Problem. But don't worry about that.
Yes, I look like I placed the handicap or mad house.
So, what am I tell you, sir?
Mine a papa figure.
Don't worry about me fix it too. Um, why disrespecting? You don't feel like people like me need to exist? Eh? You feel something not effective? Eh? You feel something can stand to the horizon?
Look at a grill and mind your
I
papa.
say me fix it.
You know why you fix this a grill here?
Alright, you must say. Come to fix the water heater. Can I get to fix the water heater?
Why money were Brutus send you with family?
He say I ain't gonna send you, but he go a bath and go piss and me walk out fast because I want to come get the work done. So he say one next time.
So, come like a bee handicap running in a family. He come like a missile Brutus by a inch.
Don't disrespect me.
Don't
Don't disrespect me. Let me go fix the things, miss.
Wait, man, before you enter my house, me have to know everything first.
Like what?
You ever fix one water heater before?
7 of them this week. Today Thursday.
So, let me
7
ask
of
you
them.
another question.
Mm-hmm.
Who recommended to the house?
Brutus.
Brutus ever see you fix one water heater
So why
before?
not recommend me?
Eh?
Why not recommend me? What me I work?
Me know why you mash up nothing in my house, you know?
Me can't get to my job, miss.
Else, me will mash up your face, you know?
You must say still. Alright. Put front work aside. Sometimes me have an imagination, you know? Like me I imagine what underneath the towel. Like sometimes if supposed to just
Okay, that's why
drop
me
down.
can't see you them kind of down here, so.
Don't worry about doing this. I say if you know like a brazier there, a Victoria's Secret mark on it, or you know how I name.
A Jasper secret mark on it.
A good secret, man. That's my secret, you know. So, so we can mingle later and buy a rum on special.
I know why Brutus send you down here, you know, because you don't even look like you can fix nothing properly.
Wait. Yeah, talk about.
You see, next time you tell that man say, anytime me ask you nothing fix, man, tell him to come himself, because you don't look like you can fix nothing properly. Watch it. Mine not dilly-dally for me.
And deal with
You drop down for me.
that moment, do. Let's see that. You want the water heater?
Boy, your foot then cracky though.
You know where more that crack there.
I need a pedicure.
I know that I'm pedicure
Come go in. Come fix this.
You need me, no?
Mr. Mine a dilly-dally for me, man. But Lord of His mercy, that's for what you do.
What you mean, madam?
This a look like water heater to you?
Yeah. This heat water.
Big box side.
What you talk about? This here heat water. You want water to get hot? If you can't drink tea, put pot pan it. It not work.
But Lord of His mercy, I be handicapped running a Brutus family.
Hey, don't you dare do that.
Jesus.
Don't you dare. Oh, you handicap. Me a handicap?
Then
Listen,
listen,
you tear down pipe for me.
listen to handicap man. You come in here, you come mash up my stove. You know, say your brother go buy it back.
Mash up a stove.
You know, see what you just do. You throw down water and I something them.
Listen to me. This
Brutus
is.
never tell us your water heater you have to come fix. What
Yep.
this look like on a stove?
You can't listen? Or you not listening?
Me no want hear not what you have to say, little handicap man.
Handicap, you call me.
What you mean?
Me
Look
him
on your
handicap.
body.
For which body? Look for you.
Jesus.
Eh? Right now, the only thing you want, just because you see, me know say something big under the towel there. And that's the only reason why I'm not give you class, you know.
You make sure, me make sure call Brutus clear. I fi fix back my stove. You know close me and your brother be little handicap.
How close? Very close?
Me make sure I go make your brother. You see everything we used to get from Brutus, I go stop getting.
Alright. Yeah, man. Don't worry about that, man. We work on things, man.
Not touch me, man.
Listen to me. We are friends, you know. Apple. So you see, man. We can work on things. We are going to fix up about everything all night. Don't tell Brutus, please.
Me not gonna tell him. Listen, what me want you do for me? One lady the upstairs. You know a big mouth woman that live upstairs. What's your name again?
Olive.
Olive. Me want you go through her window for me. Want you go in her house.
A thief, you can
No, sir, you not go turn no thief, man. We just go borrow her something then.
But
Yeah, we go borrow her something then.
I don't know that it shouldn't happen, but my life always feel like a jail business.
And Mr. Want me make Brutus stop give everything.
Alright.
I make you fix back your stove. I'm want you put Olive stove through the window too. You not have the same stove, so we're gonna switch the stove.
Listen to me. Apple, you go too far.
Oh.
Too much things. We do one at a time. First thing me I say. You think me you can get a little close sometimes?
No,
After-
me you can't get no closer.
Why
But
me?
just do what more you do first.
So I just say you use man I want security.
Nah, use
Eh,
you.
So how you go then? So how can I friend say I'm Brutus? How close? Tell me now.
Listen me. More you put on back then on my stove and go do what you have to do. Like look like say I'll take out my parts.
No. You don't take on no part. Me that. I don't do.
And then I
like
have to go come feed to bring you back down
Back down.
and bring you up Olive. I want Olive stove. Me and I have a stove.
Alright, you mess it. You can give me just one touch. Just one touch.
No, just go do it. Come out of my house, man.
Just one touch
Come
me.
out, you damn blasted handicap.
So I see a deal.
Come out.
Oh, you feel see a deal?
You're free, see.
It's alright.
You're a handicap.
Go on, you're gonna watch now.
Handicap.
Coming here every single day from them moving. Apple.
Yeah? Who that?
What is happening now? Why you call me down here so urgent?
Oh, you have to do that, man. Oh, you have to do that.
What you talking about?
Me not tell us if you come fix the water heater.
I said my brother come down here to come sort out the something.
Oh, you have to send handicap come fix something for me.
You cannot be disrespectful like that.
I never know, say. As much handicap running in your family.
Jesus.
You send the man come fix water heater and in reach in the stove. Eh? Hey! I know me can't believe. You have to go fix his stove too, you know, because him remove some parts from out of his
Jesus
stove, out of
Christ.
oven. You have to go fix it. Because you have to fix water heater in a bathroom and you reach in a kitchen. Make it make sense.
Alright. I'll sort that out. Jesus.
It come like all the handicap miss you by an inch.
You call me down here
See
to
me
be
at all?
disrespectful?
See me I do? No, sir. The man want to fix my pipe instead of a water heater. And you did for come. You send the man.
What you talking about?
Come did why you give me a little plumbing too.
Look here now, you cannot say these things. What is wrong with you? Come out here in towel and talk about you want plumbing.
Yeah, me did why you know, start up the engine.
Apple, I cannot be doing these things. Look here now, when I come link you. You can't want to sort out in the middle of the day and these things. I have other business operating, you know.
You know what? Even the money, you never send the money. What kind of style that?
What you mean I never send the money?
You never send the money, come give me.
I gave the man the money to bring to you.
And you not give me no money?
Jesus.
So you mean for tell me say you give handicap money for give me?
Stop calling my brother handicap.
So you don't
He
feel like
is slow. Stop calling him handicap, and the worst case scenario, call him special.
So you tell me say you give one slow somebody money if you come give me 30,000 and I feel like saying take you give somebody or lassie. You want a conk in your head. You know so me feel like say your brain handicap though. It might not show up for you but your brain handicap.
You know, sir, I'm not going to stand here and take this. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Fix my plumbing system.
I don't have any time for that right about now. I'm going to have to take a rain
Alright,
check.
you know what me going to do? Me I go call your wife. Me I go call your wife and make sure know say you have woman down here.
Where you get my wife number from?
No worry your head.
Hello, look
Me
here now.
I go call her and make sure know say you have woman down.
But I have things to do.
So me no want little plumbing.
I'm going to have something to deal with right at this moment. So, hear what? Later on when the night come down, because I don't want the tenants to hear or see me coming out of your room, you know. So later on when everybody gone to bed, I'll come back and come give you a proper sort out. Have no fear, man. I'll go and fix your business. Alright?
Come like me if you go make a handicap come fix my business. Have a evening, nice evening. Now that chat foolishness.
They're just pressuring one max up.
Brutus. Out the road, you go?
Yes, I'm going out the
You
road.
can drop me out the road?
I can drop you out the road, man.
No, come here a little bit. Wait first. I want to talk to you first before me leave.
Okay. What seems to be the problem, Salif?
I don't like fasting on people's business, you know, so nobody thinks that me are fasting in your business.
Really?
Anyway, me notice that every minute you go at the new tenant day. Why you go down at the new tenant day yard so often? How?
I don't go there more than the norm. I come to your house just like I go to everybody else's house to check on them and ensure so everybody's all right. The tenant is new, you know, so just trying to ensure so they settle in properly.
So how you go down there go do this time?
She had some plumbing issues, and I go sort out the water heater for her.
You a plumber, Brutus? A long time I live here, so I know you. Good while now. Long time I know you. How when you turn plumber?
See, I send my brother go down there, and him do something wrong, and I just go correct it. So,
You see him, brother?
Miss Olive, please, let us not get into it.
Brutus, I don't trust you. And you look like you're a liar.
Why would I lie? What is it I need to lie about?
Nobody else know the the building where you can go check if everything alright in the bathroom and kitchen. You have to go there so all the while. Down there so. How so?
But I check all my tenants them.
You never come check me. The only when you check me is me call you. If it's something important.
But Miss Olive, you call me 24/7.
Me have to call you. Because if me come out now and did go out the road and never see you, I would have call you. Because I see you down there for a long time, I look through my window. Anyway, me can't bother if you wait so long, I have something else to say to you. I dey hurry now, I dey for my 15-minute break. Remember, say a call center, I work.
So, but
I
is you
want to
stop
go
me?
back online. What?
Is
Yeah,
you
me
stop-
stop you.
Yeah, so come
I
on.
better go to the road and come back.
Miss Olive, you say for also remember that I'm happily married. In. I say there. Big man, Papa, I tell me say you're on the road. I really don't say that. You know, say me reach up at the yard. And Papa tell me, say, you are go down at the bar, go dash out money from bar if you carry home woman. What kind of, how you get, first and foremost, where you get money from, Jasper?
Work.
Work. So, who pay you?
You not pay me, so I must pay myself at some point. Eh? All day I don't my place, I try to eat some food and I can't get enough food, so some forward.
So, hold on
Get
it.
hungry.
You really tell me, say, the money when me give the woman, you take and a splurge out down, yeah?
Yeah, business for deal with.
Where is it there? Give me your site.
Me left it down, sir.
Cheese peace. Look here, no big man. Me can't understand this, you know. After me reach down at the apartment, you, first and foremost, you spend 12 years at Jamal. 12 years, you know.
And what?
And say you get certificate, level 1, 2, 3, go all the way at 30. For fixing AC units and all these things. Me say if you fix the water heater and the pan stove.
Something wrong with you? So you mean water heater? What water heater? The stove you use and heat up
But
water.
cheese peace.
What you talk
You
about?
see me dying child. How would them teach you, Jamal?
Water heater is used to heat stuff, and fire is under the stuff to heat the stuff.
Take back your money. Go back for the money. So much years, and you don't know say water heater different from stove.
So you have to know what is a warm up.
Ay,
What's the difference with it?
Jesus Christ.
Brother,
You mash out the people them stove, big man.
They must
No,
have-
me have to go buy back.
I must be bigger, you know. Don't talk to me, sir. Don't address me like that. I'm bigger than you. You understand?
Big brother, you mash out the people them stove. You have to go give me the money when me give you now, for go buy back the people them stove.
All right, here we go. Do. You see me carry you home for 7 weeks up here. We'll just cancel it.
7 weeks I pay for what? Remember say you mash out the people them toilet the other day, you know. So how much still owe you? I have that to deal with, plus me have now the people them store for go buy back.
Oh, no.
No man, what kind of...
When we go in, listen, there's explanation. Every situation. When we go in there, we go take a pee-pee. The toilet now flush. So me start work there so she always fix the toilet there. So she never tell the full story. Then afterwards, me ask her a question.
The toilet not flushing.
Me ask her a
Everything
question.
will come up instead of going down.
Me ask her a question. Apple. What your Apple in? What kind of business you Apple in? Apple say she in a business. What kind of business?
Oi.
Eh?
Don't matter come try change the conversation. Me and Apple doing nothing. Don't matter come question me about Apple business.
So
Okay.
she in a business?
Me and she doing no business.
So,
She's a tenant.
Apple tell me say she in a business and she know you more than the ordinary. So how do that part go?
How you manage to have that information that's so accurate? And you claim say you can't deliver a straight message.
Are you think that? You are listening?
You don't say you take away for one piece either. You know someone me don't think nothing wrong with you.
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with you?
Yeah, and you know, on a serious note though.
You
One reason why me not treat all mad right now, you know. She never did forget that money there for you, you know.
So, I give you one money. Where's your tenant?
Nah, well on there.
Me buy.
And also.
So what you say about that? Eh?
Because listen to me. You see that argument? I'm gonna bring it up. As a matter of fact, forget it. Don't remember nothing what you do. Don't remember nothing what you say. Yes. Act like you never did none at all.
What you talk about?
Big man, same way so.
Uh-huh.
You see when time I send you up on our work, please me I beg you, go fix what me tell you for fix. Don't trouble nothing else.
All right.
Please. Cause it go cost me. I mean I want to pay for nothing when me not mash up. All right, sir?
That sir.
So how much of the money in your already?
What are you talking about? You yourself you forget everything.
Jeez. What you doing here?
Now you
No,
me walk
man.
and look for.
The one place where me think say me could have be free from the stress of this apartment and all of them people in my life.
Stress. You not see nothing yet. Right now, I you me a walk I look for tell you say I'm pregnant.
What?
Yeah,
Oh, hey, listen. Take time talking about them, make nobody hear you. What you talk? Pregnant.
I'm pregnant.
Pregnant for what?
Now you
Me never say for who, me say for what? Why you feel pregnant?
ask yourself that.
Look here, no, man. You cannot do them something there. Why you feel pregnant and not ask me?
Oh, you forget me pregnant and me no know. Did you ask me?
So, me say if you take time talk, you cannot say them
Me
something.
get one microphone.
What you talking about? You cannot be loud
Me a
like that.
breed.
Jesus Christ.
I one thing more I make you know. You see 1 month stay where you say me have to stay apartment, it a go become permanent. I just want you to know.
I will.
About stress. You stress more than me? Right now, I want one house, one different house to stay in. Yeah, I rent more nice apartment for just me, myself, and I. I want one car where me and my picnic can.
Look here. You're not even sure if you're pregnant. You come make demands. And so this thing you go.
Listen, I'm 100% sure so I'm pregnant because I miss my period. If you don't want to work with this, I will bring you to the court.
Well, something I forgot go on because I don't know about that. I forgot really think. From how long now you're pregnant?
From the last time when they come check me and I remember.
Alright. Alright, Apple. Alright. We're gonna sort out this thing and we're gonna sort out this thing silently. Listen to me. You say if you're seriously pregnant and if you do pregnant, make sure so you not walk and not tell nobody, you know.
Who me fi tell?
Not carry up and not tell nobody what business, you know. Look here now, remember some is a married man.
Yeah, your
Oh,
imaginary ring.
no worry about it. I just be fat for finger swell. So just remember
We
that.
married too, so my ring there.
Look here now, I don't want no, we take care of women if we take care of as long as you say you're pregnant. But just please leave my name alone. Don't tell nobody nothing. Alright? Now go on where you go. I'm still
Just
in my
make sure
peace.
you make me, listen, just make sure you make me get what me forget. Else me I put this on the top of the light post.
Jesus.
A big sheet me I get and write it on it. You hear that? Alright, have a nice day here. Mr. Stressful, imaginary ring. Oh,
Oh
yeah,
man, if you have a nice day, then come do man them sit here.
pa. Now me send you out. I go to the gate, I go. Come here, man. Come now, man.
Me never want to go now, man. I'm just check the gate and lock the gate.
And the gate lock.
Where you say I go on?
Give me something them, man.
Hold on, now you rush things, so you move so fast. Huh?
So now me send you out.
Yeah, but you know, I'm going to try a little bit now.
Give me a bag.
Oh, yeah.
Give me a bag now, mind they see me and you want no say I me send you go teach
So,
you, man.
no, you don't have to worry about that. My back, broad.
Give me a bag.
What me I say to you is, hold on, where you go to hostile. You know, if you go on so sexiness. Relax now. Where you going so? We have fight for the bag for.
You know me like you already. You know. Give me a bag, man.
So, hold on.
And that go on, so.
So, when you say like me, like how like me?
Like with there with you.
Woo!
Now your brother not there again, you know.
Eh?
Now your brother not there again, now you me I go there with now.
You serious?
Me I go there as of today.
Yeah, my brother did they they?
Yeah, you never know that.
Never know that.
You're really handicapped in here. Oh, you never know that. You feel like me did a parent?
And that one?
I'll know me still not parent. Your brother is an idiot.
You know you have one tendency for like
I tell him I'm pregnant and I'm doing pregnant. Yeah. Boy, I'll give me money and be things.
Careful, you know, cause them they touch that kind of, you know, and dangerous.
Your body feel good.
Woo! Oh, Jesus. All right, take it easy.
Yeah, behave so like you're not used to
I'm not used to them touch it from you. You know? So yeah, tell me something now. Me go take it serious then. I mean, I come in the house and come do sometimes.
When I reach that part there yet, Now, some want to tell us, you know, your brother an idiot, because I tell him I'm pregnant and I'm doing pregnant. I tell him my mother kick me out of the house. And my mother not kick me out of the house. I just take out my things and walk out. Because I want to come down to the apartment. Yeah.
So in just sort you out like that?
Just like that.
So alright, enough from my brother business. So, I know when we can come in.
We not reach that part there
So
yet,
when
man.
We
not reach that part there yet, man. Me so make you know when we can reach that part there. We not reach this yet. In the next couple minutes, we tell her what I go on. I decide what I go do now. Cause I feel like say your brother go find out sooner or later, you know.
But what, me and you?
But me not care.
What, me and you?
But everything will go on in the yard, what you say? So, I go in the house and go sort out the bag now. So, you can get your share and me get my share. I know you like the touch, and that's why I'm not stop touch your stuff.
So alright, so later on I come back.
Yeah, man, I can come back later, man. That if me there, cause you know me do my little thing. I stay one place too long.
Alright.
So me go in, go sort out the bag.
Yeah. I just call me.
Yeah, man.
You hear?
Bag do even feel like what me want you to do about. No, man, you don't feel like where's stove there when me did tell you if you take two?
That's a later on. Don't worry about that. It's heavy.
Make sure you know.
My back when I hurt me because I do some work. Something about that take you. I go back for. Alright?
You not bring no bag come give me, you know.
No.
If nobody come ask me, if.
So give me a hug now.
No. Remember, you know, you not give me no bag. Me no know you, and you don't know me.
So I know some get some more touch.
Good morning, ma'am. So what you say is the problem?
Good morning. I went to the gym,
Yeah.
and when I came back, I realized that somebody broke into my house and stole. I can't recall everything, but
So wait,
them take well on it. But
ma'am. So how you supposed to call a police and you don't know what is stolen.
I know what's stolen. Maybe I don't remember everything now, but it is a army bag full of lots of stuffs in there. Clothes, shoes, everything. Everything inside there.
So what you want me to do, ma'am?
Officer, I want
Yes.
just solve the case. Me call you to talk to you about what happened.
But ma'am, if you don't have the information for me to know, how am I going to solve the case? What? Come on, man. Tell me the story.
Officer, you see anyhow, you hear or see anybody a sell any stolen goods? Are mine.
Really?
Yes. And me suspect the new neighbor
Why you suspect her?
because she a thief and she bad mind. All the while, me put me things them on the line, it miss for a long time, and me know say I did she. Me not too sure if I she know, but me suspect her.
You're not too sure.
Once a thief, always a thief.
Okay, cause to be honest, I remember your face. There was a last case that there was a young lady that was. What was she doing again? She called police saying that you were scamming. Well, I don't know why you're involved with so many bad mind neighbors. You sure say you're not the bad mind one? I'm just
Officer,
asking a question. I'm just asking.
officer, how you come for do? You come for assist me or you come for accuse me wrongfully?
Well, I come to do my job, man. But don't worry, I will do an investigation and I will let you know.
Me can ask you one question, sir?
Yes,
What is your name?
Officer Cockett.
Who put you in force?
Well, I put myself in the force, I'm going to soon become the commissioner. And I live right over there, so if you need anything, you can call. But, by the way, scratch that. Why would you always call in the police station?
We have rights. Civilians have right to call police if we need help.
Don't feel like police have anything else to do? Well, you don't have to answer that. Have a nice day, mom. And don't worry, I will do an investigation.
Aleph.
How would I touch
Olive.
about Olive?
Miss Aleph,
Brutus, flower.
come here, Miss. Come here, Miss Aleph. Me just get a call a while ago.
About what? Your padded?
Me here said police there at the apartment. What police there at the apartment I do?
Are that you frightened me about?
What you mean?
I me call police over here.
What jeez? What- Miss Olive, you don't normally call me. Why would you call the police? What happened for you to call police?
You waste my time every time I call you. Me left me cook food in my house. Me cook me shrimp, cause through me come family them a go come visit me. You know we are going to have one little reunion. You see little reunion where we are keep? You know go bother keep. No union can keep. You know why? Me left me food, the juice and everything in my fridge in the pot, everywhere put on the table, well copper set. And he missing.
What?
And my mind tell me say like a thiefing girl we have down there so we are chat about she a tenant and she a parent. And my mind tell me say she thiefing. Me not have no look here, Brutus, me not have no time did fi call you now. The way my heart a bubble me can't take it no more, me have you up to you. So the first thing coming in my head is to call the police. Because every time I call you, come like they come to me. Yes, you come when me call you, but when you come you talk to me and then me not say nothing. Nothing not happen, nothing not done. Me tell you it man, so me have to call the police.
No, Miss Olive, man, but you normally would have called me.
Yes, it look like you're deaf. Me always call you and you ever come.
But you
But when you come and me explain to you, me not see nothing deal with.
But you
The
should have called me
situation
first.
stuck right there so. So you know make no sense me did call you. So this time me call the police.
When police to come over here, and I remember police come the last time and them a come back again. I don't want this to be a reoccurring when them a come at the apartment, Miss Olive. It don't look good for business.
If you're a landlord, act like a landlord.
But I am your landlord and I mean you should have called first before you call the police them.
Me don't call the police already hour. Them all lock you up? Are you thiefy?
But Miss Olive, I
Bruce,
just...
are you coming to my house going to thief out my food?
Miss Olive, shame on you
You
for going to say
realize
such a
me
thing.
never tell you say you. Me know say I know you. Me don't tell you what my mind tell me say already. And you need to go start up. Look here. Brutus. As me tell you, me tired for call you. Me tired. Sometimes I wonder if you tired for me call you.
Me tired.
Yes, that's why I call the police, because I realize you're tired of me calling you. Anyway, I know Uncle food missing there.
I was about to ask you if I only the food missing why you behave so.
No. I know only food, because maybe mother just take it and say I'm hungry, he idiot hungry, make him take it. So mother just make it go on. Me miss some jewelry, me miss some clothes. You understand me?
Christ.
Yes. And maybe other things missing too, but me no know what yet until Missy say gone. Anyway, Brutus, when you go check the camera? Check the camera. And you will see if I lie me they tell. Yes.
I can't check it. I can't check the camera.
Please can you do?
I will do that, Miss Olive.
Okay,
as soon
thank
as I
you.
go home, I go and check the camera.
Thank you, sir.
Because I can't check it right now.
Okay.
Right. But as soon as I leave here, I will do just that. But if you have further future references, Miss Olive, and I just appreciate you. Just give me a heads up. Just link me first.
What that you talk about? You
Please.
see any the girl take me things because my mind tell me say she. Remember say, and Uncle police all courthouse I go involved in it because me a swear. Me a get me lie upon this. Me serious.
Let us hope that it doesn't have to reach there. We can resolve it like human beings. All right?
If me even figure sell the 2 donkey then when me have and the 2 hog and the 2 goat, fi pay the liar, I am going to get a liar and swear for everything. And she have to pay me back me hog and me goat and me donkey money. Brutus, me don't talk. See there, my family can't come again. Me can't go bother keep it. None all. You understand? No family get together, me cannot keep it. Anyway, you know what you need to do? Go check the footage. Check the footage.
I am going to do that. I am going to do that, Miss Alice. Rest assured, me I go sort out that.
What you gonna do?
Me I go check the footage, Miss Alice. Stress this man. Sure. Jesus Christ. What the wicked boy? So now me handicap. No me. Chop. What you doing at people in my house, man? Jeez, and peace. Calling this boy. Jasper, where they are, Sado? Why you doing up there, Jasper?
What you mean why I'm not here? What you talking about?
You normally there home them hours, yeah? Why you there, sir? I see why I not see you from morning, you know. Yeah, man. It's almost as if you try to hide from me.
Me?
Yeah, man.
For what? Me afraid of you?
What?
Me afraid of you?
You're afraid of me. But I know what you're up to.
Wait.
Jasper, you know me have cameras down at the apartment.
I make a commission.
You know say me have cameras by the apartment. Cover every single place.
What that
so
mean?
me can see where people go in and go out, Jasper.
Not sure, me no want to
What
see
you
nothing.
mean by no one shit? Sure nothing. Jasper, what you doing at people in place?
How you get this?
What you... Again, you acting like an idiot because me tell you say me have camera all over the place.
And me I call idiot? I idiot you call me?
I'm not saying you're
I
an
try.
idiot, you know.
What?
This act is a stupid act.
Which
What
act?
you doing at people in place, Jasper?
I know.
You eating all the people in food.
I know me that.
Who else have this handicap walk here?
How you call the cap? And me I call the cap?
No.
Eh?
This.
Me's a bigger brother, you know.
I agree. But you're making foolish decisions. What kind of thing that you're going to the people in place just but you're taking out food and jewelry?
That don't look like me. That don't look like me.
What you mean?
I know me that.
See the glass there?
And one glass make? Eh?
See the walk there?
How me I don't walk?
Are you alone walk, sir?
Which so?
Jesus Christ, me can't believe. Who else go there here like that?
Brutus, let me tell you, Brutus. Whoever we're living in the in the internet days where people can use AI and create things. You believe that? With computer generated right now, people use face thing and put on that and make and frame it.
So is my camera a frame you?
Yes, so who get it?
Is
Who
directly
give it?
from my camera it come from.
But who get it?
Nobody no give me it at my house it a come from.
Computer get it. A computer get it.
Jesus
Look have a
Christ.
computer.
Jasper, me cannot even go show up. Me can't even go show Olive this. God, this a incriminate your boss, man. A prison this a send you, you know. You know see that? Wait, Jasper, me see you thief out food and you don't hungry. What you do with Miss Olive clothes?
You remember one day you see a car lunch come in a carry come?
Jesus
Hmm?
Christ. But that day they gone long time. This is a total different day.
Me still not see me then.
You cannot go in a people in place and take out them food and then look there.
So
Red-handed that test and all jewelry. What you spray the people them cologne for? Me cannot do this anymore, Jasper. Jasper, me fed up to here. Me had it up to here. Years now, you know. Me I take care of these situations. Remember, you know, brother. Papa is set a film problem. And me I try sort him out. You have your shortcomings and me I help you. And it's like, when you just run me right to the ground, big brother. I can't understand. Miss Olive, don't stop calling me phone. Then she's peace, man. The new tenant, she know what tell me say she pregnant. Everything just have tumble over upon me. It's like everything just has stressed me out, big brother. Me cannot do it. Me cannot manage it. So hear what? Me come to a conclusion, me make a decision. Me have to go cut you off.
cut me off.
Yeah, man, me have to go put a stop. Me have to cut you off, brother.
What do you mean cut? Like cut?
Cut.
What do you mean?
Put your... Separate myself from you.
I already separate when you shine.
Well, me a distance myself. Me a put some space in between us because me cannot afford for you stress me out no more.
Brutus, what you say?
You're stressing me.
So what you say?
Me?
Don't call the phone and listen.
No, don't ask me for help. In no way, shape or form. Me cannot do it.
But you talk, and I'm stress you out. I'm stress you out.
Oh, you mean you...
Oh, I'm stress you out. Eh? What you call stress? You call me stress a big brother? Eh?
I cannot do it. Me have to cut ties. I'm sorry.
Alright, you are going. Yo. I bet you never know, say, it pitney why you woman are pregnant and of your pitney. No baby no did enough for your pitney. Because
How you know that?
Because Apple sent me to your house.
Jesus.
Apple sent she sent me and she come close. But we're not close like this. We're close. But she sent me to your house and say, do this, do that. And believe it or not, believe your big brother and run through runway. I'm gonna put him out. This a woman is dangerous. Cause see how she set me up for my brother, turn upon me, kick me out and I done all with all cut all ties.
Jesus Christ.
So you never know what I'm sitting there?
How me fi know? And these are the very same things that give me grey hair.
Oh yeah, trust them woman, I'm not want you. You never know what's never trust them. Eh? What do you think me on a woman? Eh?
I'm going to sort this out, you know. I'm going to sort this out.
Better start.
I'm going to sort this out.
Oh yeah, come on. Give me one drink then.
Hello.
What happened?
No, come want me, you know. Open this.
What am I pull the grill for?
I need to talk to you.
I walk one.
What you mean by wagwan?
You gonna mash my finger? You must say you gonna mash my finger.
Apple.
What happened?
You see, for the little time you there, I've been stressing. I lose all my hair out of my head miggle.
That's not my fault.
What you mean and it's your fault? Apple, I go ask you this question straight up. Is you send Jasper for going at the people and broken at people in house?
What you take me for? Me look like a thief to you? Me your handicapped brother friend? You see me I walk a keep friend with handicap man.
Apple. So, what you try to say? My brother tell lie upon you.
Of course. Your brother a big liar.
Is that so? So how him know them things there?
No what?
How him know say the woman now go there at certain point in time? Are you alone? No, say she now go there home because my brother no come down here.
My brother, your brother there before me.
Him don't come to the apartment.
So you feel?
Apple. I nah go believe you over my brother, you know. Alright, here one now, Apple. It look like you beat around this bush, you know. Listen me. My brother Jasper. Tell me, say,
Yeah.
are you send him going to the people in house?
Me? After him coming, I come mash up my stove.
Apple, the man a tell me everything. You know what also me find out? Your mother never put you out, you know. Is you come out on your own. Me's not no idiot. I'm a brother not going to make up no fabricate no message. A lie I tell.
A lot of things your brother fabricate and tell lie about. Just like what they when he get the money for give me and not give me.
No man, ignore the part because the money no matter worry about the money. You hear what me I say? You're going to have to leave here so by the end of the week. And it's either you're going to leave by will or you're going to leave by force. Either way, you're coming out. Because see me take the keys them here. The doors and the grill cannot be kept closed. So just know what you do from now. Please and thank you.
Remember some pregnant in a Brutus? Remember some pregnant?
All that too, that card played out. Him tell me say you're not breathing. Him tell me say that never happened. Nothing like that. You sit down and tell me, brother, everything. You never think him that go tell me. You never know say blood thicker than water.
A lie ma tell pa me, I chew him a look me, and I tell him say me no want no handicap. Tell your brother not tell no lie pa me.
I could care zero what you want to say right about now. Your dolly house?
Your brother is a little dirty man.
Your dolly house mash up. I want you out of this place by the end of the week. Me no need no formal argument from you.
Me not come out, you know, because remember say I'm pregnant for you.
But you know, you can't, that pregnancy card played out. As a matter of fact, we can go do a DNA test right now and solve this once and for all.
Do DNA test so you don't believe say you get me pregnant?
No, I don't.
You don't believe say you're a child?
Look here now, you have been lying from morning till a night now. I just need you out of my place.
And a night now or evening.
I just need you out of my place. So understand that. Okay?
I understand nothing, no, you just say. Because what you just say to me, one just go through the years and come back through the next. Sure, I gotta tell your wife, you know, that me I tell you, everything me I tell her.
Right now, I care zero. Do whatever what you want to do.
I care zero, and you see all the key can keep him. I can always cut key for them, yeah. All that they too. And me, make sure I gotta tell your wife, me I go call her when I go in. As I go in, me I call her because I get her number. Me don't know if you ever hear about wrong and strong, you know. Me that. Keep the key.
We know if I your place.
Keep the key.
We will know if I your place, yeah?
I mean, who want your son now?
That's what I want.
Sir, don't ask me any questions. Why you even call me?
You know how long I've been calling up by the station for various different reasons just to get somebody come sort out the situation. It's a good thing you live right there. I never even did remember. But yeah man.
Wait, come. Tell me what is the situation?
Mr. Officer, I have a tenant that don't want to come out of this place, yeah.
Why?
And I need you to get her out of the place.
Sir, this is not usually police work, you know. This is rent board work. You don't call me for these foolishness. You're lucky somebody live right there, sir.
I understand, Mr. Officer. But don't worry yourself, man. You can sort out a thing for you. You don't know how the thing
So which one the thing there?
Have it in the vehicle, man.
No, man, you can't. Next time, do not call me unless you have the money ready.
It's ready.
Because I have a firearm right there, sir.
That's not necessary.
Maybe not necessary.
We just want to get her.
Yes, we get her. But by the way, I go want a room, you know, because sometimes you might want to carry on, you know.
So when I can
So you want the thing now? Yeah, man. This one look like a shot. Next time, do not call me unless you have 100 toes ready.
Jesus. You're a chap big man.
Look on this. Oh, come on.
Well, that's not necessary. Mr. Officer, hold on. You don't have to jump the fence. We can just walk through the gate right as a son. Yeah, man. Just, yeah.
Come out, hoodlum, before I have to shot you. I have strong evidence. Come out.
How that?
It is the police.
Which where hoodlum there?
Miss, come out of the house. Come outside.
And me I call hoodlum.
Then who else I'm talking to?
Me I look for you
Miss,
hoodlum.
do not make me have to shot you a long time. I want to shoot somebody, you know.
You can't shoot me, no, me have my rights.
Miss, step outside.
When me step outside for officer? You know, say I interrupt me and my son dead in a door.
Miss Hoodlum, you don't realize I have a firearm and I have never used it. It is brand new. So just give me a reason to shoot you.
Oh.
Shoot him, boss. Shoot him.
Alright, sir, just stop your eyes around us.
So me, you want to use it, pan? Me would have wrong and strong if me make you kill me with that. You see all you Brutus? Why you in the same clothes for the last 3 months now? What change?
Me.
That's why your head top peel out.
Miss, calm down. Just, right now, you give me one reason for shot you, you know. I really want to shot you, you know. And just because, right now, a long time I want to strike, you know. Miss.
So you look mismatch. You favor Skittles.
I'm going to need you for hold me back, you know.
Shoot him, boss. Shoot him.
Miss, come out of the people in place. May I give you 3 seconds. 1, 2.
10. Sir, give me a second there, here. Me
No,
go in
it
so.
up.
Come.
Come.
Go for me clothes then.
You don't say you really want me to shoot you. Miss, come out of the people in place. Come out.
Wait now, man. I mean, I want you to touch me.
Me not touch you because me not put me on par ladies. Move.
Me have
Move.
me have sugar and salt, you know, sir. So mine, you make me jot down. Mine, I send up me salt sky high, you know. Oh.
And you then call wrong and strong hard.
I miss you, man. You see all you Brutus? You not done yet. That's why your head top look so pitchy patchy.
What? Thank you, Mr. Officer. Finally get rid of this look up. Sitting out of my place. Boss, man. The bad mind me about this, man.
Just make sure you have my money later, you know.
But I'm pay you already.
Which pay? Me don't remember no pay. Just have your pay ready.
No, me lock the door.
Who else have this handicap walk here? We can't handicap. I'm not trying to hey, put friends there, man. I'm not trying to I'm not trying to
Alright.
Alright, come back again. Ready? And action.
Who else have this handicap walk here? How we a handicap? Am I a handicap?
No.
Eh? This means a bigger brother, you know?
Alright, let's close. I have one last thing. Let's close. You ready now, Alright, no talking. Stay ready. Ready now, and action. Well, I'll put myself in the first, Bob.
Let me ask you. Can I ask you a question, sir?
Yes,
What is your name?
Officer Cockett.
The AC, you're catching a bathroom.
So this one. And off.
Just for nothing.
The last time in the art school. No, I can't this art school. Eh? Jamal, yeah, man.
Last time Brutus make again.
Alright. So later. I remember, no, look, the people them pick me.
Sit down. Where you go?
I give you one money. Will you see a tenant? No, well on it. And a so. And a so.
I'm going to sort this out.
Oh yeah, come on. Give me one minute there.
Me show him the AC in gun in the bathroom gang and fix the toilet bowl. The blood of Jesus. No one them bad. No one them bad. No one them bad. In public.
Connect.
He connect, not you. He connect. I jump in first, and then Chad. And then me. I want to start.
Connect.
Ready?
Ready?
More on the bloopers there, I swear. You never cut that bloopers there, send it out.
Ready?
Ready?
Wait first, wait first.
Action.
Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. So, as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. So the number up on his shirt. You know me, I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, oh, me no need that, me no need that. It's not no Viagra. You know me, I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them him use say make the capsule them and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you're 50 or 60 or 40, you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, not talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up. See him Instagram handle there. So you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic.